Welcome to Marantz Rantz, no advice on finance. Spin the wheel and take a chance. Get an NFT and a little education. The system got undertow, that knowledge is flotation. You wanna learn? Well, you came to right place. You're pumping AMC, might get slapped in the face. Get your due diligence, know who the villain is. Don't be a sheep when the shepherd's carnivorous. So come learn, laugh, and maybe you win big. And listen up, y'all, the wheel is not rigged. Everybody get a chance in the live chat. Kyoto spin wheel, you win just like that. Retail fight back and this retail winning. Y'all just wait, man, this is just the beginning. All fellow simians, GME group singing the truth. We just chillin', infinity pool swimming. So welcome to Marantz Rantz. A lot of knowledge but no advice on finance. Don't even need pants, you can tune in naked like Henry the Mayo Man. Internet's most hated. Don't wanna lose your money, then it's time for you to listen. If you're ignorant, invest in AMC, a superstition. The stream about ready, they told us to don't dance. I do what I want. Welcome to Marantz Rantz. 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 Welcome to Marantz Rantz.
All right, guys. Welcome back to Marantz Rantz. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. I want to give you guys this update right now in real time. I know you guys are just strolling into the channel. It is 9:30, so I apologize. Obviously, I'm going to be late every day just because I'm getting all this news, getting all these updates, and I want to give them to you guys. So let's talk about AMC really quick. So the first thing is AMC secured some senior lending today, took some senior notes. They went ahead and borrowed $400 million on 14%. I'm going to explain something so bad to you guys. If you guys ever saw that number, you'd run for the hills. I don't care if it's for your car. I don't care if it's for your home or if it's for a credit card even. Most people see 14% and like, nah, that's not me unless I'm getting something back for it. But the fact that you're not getting anything back for it, AMC, would tell me this: you don't even value your business that much. You're just trying to survive. And a loan shark is out there knowing that they have you on the ropes. Legally, you can't get out of this. At 14%, $400 million, it's not much compared to the $12 billion that is owed just in general, operational debt and, of course, corporate debt. But I will tell you this. It also tells me you guys can't have any money on hand. You guys are not spending the money wisely. 2, you have no path to profitability. And 3, it looks a lot worse than it is. Ideally, in the past, you might get a loan for like 7%, 6%. But you live in this world, in this economy where the dollar's not worth much. But you've already literally taken hundreds of millions of dollars from investors. And that wasn't enough to survive. These guys have been pumping your stock, pumping your building full of people, supposedly, for the last 2 years. And that wasn't enough to survive. Now, this gets better and better, guys. I'm telling you, every day I wake up, I can't believe it. I'm like I believe it, and then I can't believe it. Like, I'm just like, damn, bro, how bad could this get? And I'll show you how bad it's going to get. Like, I literally, what the hell, what is this right here on my screen? That's got to go away. It's got to be this one. Yeah, we're good there. So, I can't make this shit up. I just can't. So, we're going to go right here. GameStop, by the way, phenomenal. Red market, doesn't matter. Flat market, doesn't matter. You name it, nah. 2 million shares traded back and forth today. $26.01. I wish people knew how strong this is. When the volume comes to it, when you're forced to look at it, yeah, we'll talk about Ryan Cohen, we'll talk about all that good stuff, but let's talk about the stuff that's here, the stuff from this morning. This is amazing. They knew I went live, so they said, hey, Marantz went live, let's just go ahead and show them what it's all about. This is $5.65. Battle of 801 is not even existing right now. If I buy this stock today, I get it for $5. I am nervous for everybody. I really am. Because one, I'm nervous for all the YouTubers. You guys saw, I took a clip from yesterday's live stream, put it up there just so they can see it, just so they know. I've sent out all these warning shots. But these people that are willing to lose everything, well, we're about to find out because it's going to happen. And there's no coming back. You know, I feel bad for the ape father buying in at $50-something a share. But what does he do now? What does he do now rather than start up a new career right now? I mean, being a YouTuber, okay, there's a career, I guess. Anyone, but that's just like the people that we know, right? What about the people we don't know? Like, I know a guy at work who literally does not listen to me. I know Almo's cousin doesn't listen to him. I know a lot of people out there that just don't want to listen. Nah, bro, you're wrong. Really? Okay. This is ridiculous. And new AMC debt at 12 and 14%. Yeah, it's actually like 14. It's there. I even found the article. I was like, yo, I got the article. We're good. My day just got better. Marantz is on, telling the facts and the truth. Yeah, Joe, I'm here, man. AMC announces purchase of Netflix. Right. Yeah, that would make it just crash all the way down to the ground. Yeah, they purchased Disney. I mean, how much FUD can we put out here, Seven? I mean, we're going to try. We could try to say anything. Like, at this point, it wouldn't matter. Still high from getting a tweet from Chairman last night. Yeah, DB, I hear you, man. Ryan Cohen put out there, and remember, whenever he has a sex tweet, the stock price goes up. He always, and he said something about the sex, whatever. I don't even care, because I don't care about tweets like that. I don't follow it that way, because it doesn't do anything for me personally. Like, I know what I have. I'm sure Ryan's there tweeting, and everyone was happy to see it. And for me personally, I put out a tweet. I put that the 18th or the 17th of October is going to be a great day. Why is it not? You can't put dates. You can't. Man, I can do whatever I want. I can do whatever I want. Right now, I can walk around here just with my head held high. Hey, Tara, how's it look, Tara? Do you like to go? I'm growing it. I'm not growing it for you. I'm just growing it because I was lazy. I didn't want to shave one day. And we just kept going that route. But I'll tell you what I am growing. I'm growing leery of all of you and your buddies finally crying and now pointing fingers at Adam Aaron. I would point fingers at him, but I would have did it 2 years ago. 2 years ago, when the same things that you're asking now was happening then. We all said it. We all said it. AMC announces purchase of Marantz Rantz YouTube channel. They couldn't afford me, apparently. I don't know, man. $400 million, you might buy me. $400 million, my wife might sell me. My wife might just be like, yeah, you're going that route. That's the way we're going. Good morning, Marantz, and every competent investor here. CKJ, it's wild, man. I was watching... I don't know why I keep watching Common Sense Investor, only because it keeps popping up on my feed, but he's the only guy left. AMC. Did you know the only YouTuber left is the one where he's got more teeth or less teeth than shares? I mean, goddamn. So he came out and he was just like, hey, y'all, welcome back. What do y'all say? I'm going to buy me some HYMC options because the gold's going to come out of the ground in 2 years. Fuck, man. These guys are just ridiculous. It's going to get worse. Yeah, he's doing great. Seven's doing great on the trolling skills. He's trying to be funny. He's doing great. I love it. Here's the best part, guys. I get shit in my DMs all the time. You guys know this. Guys who want to kill me. Guys who, you can't talk shit. You can't. Yes, I can. Because you guys didn't listen. No one's listening. I mean, they might be. I don't know what they're listening with. But they'd be very poor in grade school, apparently. But we'll go to Ape. How about that? Was I wrong about Ape? I don't want to be right. I don't want to be right. Oh, no. 162, bro. God damn, I weighed that in high school. Let's go. Now we're getting down to my weight. That's what we're doing here. Man, much better. And you know, the spike all the way up to 197 this morning. And I know what people were thinking. Oh, Marantz, you spoke too soon. Here it comes. And I was just like, okay. Let's see it come. Where is that going to go? Even if it went to $5, it's still not where it was. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. And I'm sorry, guys, but they're going to play with these blocks, 10K blocks, because you know what? And think about it. Think about it. If they're selling 10K and 11K blocks, okay, huge blocks. You see it in layer 2, right? In level 2. Let me tell you something about huge blocks. You would have volume. You would have volume that's crazy if they were actually trading back and forth, and it was wild. But it's not. It's not. They're just going to manipulate the price with the big block, and they're going to let it sit there because the volume's nothing. The volume's 500 million as far as a float goes, but there's only volume, what, 16 million? That's it? It's trash. It's not even about, I mean, come on, guys. You guys got to be kidding me. Look at 10,000. Those are just for show. Those blocks are just for show. You're going to show me the hundreds. And you tell me I can't go trade 100 shares of this shit? It's $1. It's $1.79. You don't think I can go $1, whatever, 63. Guys, $163, you can go get some. Nobody's touching it. All right, let's talk about AMC real quick as a company. Not only do they steal money from retail, they steal money from everyone around them. They're now trying to survive, trying to swim a little longer. Here's the press release, or actually, here's the SEC filing. When you read it in detail, what does it tell you? Nothing pinpointed, so I had to go find elsewhere to get it. And then, of course, even this press release, just $400 million aggregate principal amount, the senior notes secured due by 2027. Guys, Adam Aaron will not be here in 2027, nor will you. No one will be here. So they went and borrowed $400 million off a sum that they never have to pay back because here it is. AMC dangles 14% yield on $400 million bond refinance debt. Originally, they went to the table with 12.5, 12.75, and nobody wanted it. I'm trying to tell you, but you know, who am I? Who am I? I'm just the guy. I'm just the guy who told you GameStop, fundamentally, amazing company. GameStop, real investors. GameStop, no real bots. GameStop, pushing, doing what we do. Some strong ass people on the leadership team, and we're not fake. And we're not funking the funk. We're not funking the fake, faking the funk. We're not faking the funk. Goodness gracious, I can't talk. That is a good stock, huh? Come on, Marantz, you can't do this, man. You got to unite. No super chat today, or we time you out again. Exactly. Please don't do that. Yeah, I'm good with everybody here though, but I really appreciate you guys. When will AMC start shutting down HVAC to save money? Manuel, they're gonna have to have some hot box theaters. They're better off doing yoga. Bring what is it called? Bingham yoga, hot ass yoga. That's what they're better off doing. I don't know, that sweaty yoga. That's what they're better off doing. AMC doesn't have enough money to buy Marantz. Integrity is not for sale. Correct. And honesty is not for sale. Correct, Joe. Nice, Jerry. Good afternoon. I don't know, man. I might have a price. You tell me $400 million. I might have a price. Hey, Adam Aaron, listen to me, bro. Listen to me, bro. I'm really good, Adam Aaron. Come pay me to talk good about your company. Come pay me, bro. I'll do the best pieces. All right, guys, listen up. I really want everyone to think about investing to this company. The bottom right now, we're getting close to it. But let me tell you, here's the bullish stance. In about 10 years, and I sound like Kermit the Frog there. In about 10 years, we're going to be amazing. That's about it, bro. 10 years? That's your plan? Get this shit out of here, bro. I know because I was 20 once. I'm telling you this, Adam Aaron, and somebody clip this part. You ready? Here we go. Adam Aaron. Dear Adam, hi. I used to be a 20-year-old. I was. And I got a credit card or 3, and I maxed them out. And I didn't make one payment on them bitches. Nope. And I didn't file bankruptcy either. I just let them fall off after 7 years. Oh, trust me, it hurt my bank, and I couldn't borrow money. I couldn't do anything. But people were smart not to give me money because it was bad, baby. It was bad. You? What is going on with you? You think you're ever going to get another corporate job? Nah, that's your last one. Who thinks this guy is real? This is crazy. It looks like GME and AMC broke apart. The apes, they move the same, seems to be over. Yeah, Jerry, you know, I got something else for you. The whole I own both crowd. If you're part of the I own both crowd for GameStop and AMC, hey, I own both. Supposedly there's 400 million, I'm so sorry, 4 million investors into AMC because somebody told them this number. So if I hold both, is you, AMC. How many GameStop investors do you think there are? Because you got GameStop elitists, apparently. That's what you call people who don't conform to your way of thinking. And then you got all of you guys who closetly own AMC or GameStop to hedge AMC. I apologize. You tell me how many people own GameStop. I'll wait. I'll just sit here and wait. Yeah. Checkmate. Mate check. No, it's not even checkmate. You know the whole checkmate deal, Derek J? That's not what I get. I can't have enough. I can't get enough of this one. Choke on that. Like, you're a grown-ass dude in your 60s, almost 70s, telling other people to choke on something. Well, that's just gross. You're like the Harvey Weinstein of the AMC investment world, Adam Aaron. I've seen you grabbing girls' boobs and shit, taking pictures. Oh, that's slander. You can't say that, Marantz. No, I'm just saying you're like. I'm not saying you did anything. You never have, other than steal money from the people themselves. Explain that away. Here, get me for slander and defamation of character. Adam Aaron, you've lied to your investors from day one. I'm talking about 2016, whatever it was, 2016 to now. You've been lying the whole way. You've been sued 6 times. Let me know, Adam Aaron. Let me know what you're doing that's positive for this company, that's not just positive for your pockets. You've lined up your pockets yourself, and now you're borrowing money. $400 million? You have $900 million in the bank, right? Oh, no, you got cash on hand, don't you? Why would you have to borrow $400 million? Go pay your bills. Your business is booming. Oh, Top Gun, phenomenal. Avatar, phenomenal. Wakanda Forever, coming. You know the truth. You're prolonging the inevitable. That is bankruptcy, and you don't want to admit it. but I'll be the guy here to tell you again. I'm going to speak it into existence. Guys, AMC will be bankrupt. In 3 years from now, if they don't file for bankruptcy, it's because somebody bought them out. And that's it. Checkmate. Serious question, Marantz. You think the main reason these scumbag AMC YouTuber influencers disappeared is because they potentially have lawsuits that they could face? George Wells, I do believe that. I think that certain individuals that are either in their discords and or very close to them have turned on them. I was surprised to see the Common Sense Investor has a Discord that he's charging people for. Holy shit. It was like, pay $5 a month to be in part of my Patreon, and we're going to put you in our Discord, and we got 21 spots left. I was like, what? Who is paying that dude for financial advice? I mean, just in general. And we're going to teach you how to play options. Oh, my God. Oh, my life. My life is not real. This cannot be real, guys. Like, I honestly think I am in the metaverse right now. Like, with this channel, with you guys, the way this is played out, I literally have told these guys about AMC and Ape from the minute I hit go live, right? And I'm talking about, feels like a century ago, only about 800 something videos ago. This shit. You guys think I'm crazy? I mean, who here thinks I'm crazy? Who didn't believe me coming out the gate? Who was like, yo, I don't know what Marantz is saying. I don't believe him. Okay. Serious question, George Wells. YouTubers and influencers still say they hold the stock. Do you think they're holding at this loss? Who do you think is still really holding? I think idiots are holding. I think if they didn't sell at $11, at $12, at $13, this is when it starts getting dicey. And then you just say, you know what, fuck it, I'm out at 7. I'm out at 8. You're sitting here at 5. Holy shit. People have cost average of over 30 on average. Like, realistic, like everybody bought in when the hype was going, because that was the hype train of June, July, August. AMC Bigums and what's this guy, Butcher Wall Street, they made their YouTube channels in August. Like, they are here in the thick of the 30 and 40s and 20s. Bullshit. Oh no, we've been buying, we got in 2 years ago. We've been there since we were the battle of 801. So then you didn't buy it for a year and a half? Nah, I call bullshit. But then it's the ones who didn't buy it, well, then they're the real fakers, right? I don't know who would even buy their debt. Kyoto, a criminal mastermind. See, here's how it works. If you're a bank, all right, guys, I want to tell you how this works. This is the worst part of it all. So they come out and they loan AMC, Odin movie theaters, $400 million. Okay. The bank does. Boom. The bank loans them the money knowing that it's not going to get that money back. I'm telling you. They know they're not going to get it back anytime soon. They're going to get their money in 2027. But they loaned them $400 million up front. They have 5 years to recover that money. Do you know what they do for the next 5 years? They short the shit out of the stock. They short that company to the fucking ground, to the balls. They got them by the balls because they can short it, and they know you can't fight it, AMC. This is why people are like, oh, it's the most manipulated stock. It's the most this. It's so short. It's so this. Yeah. It might be. It might be in your head, in your eyes. There's a reason why companies short. They're hedging. They're long. Their long in this case is the $400 million they gave you. That's their long. Their long is $400 million over 5 years. They're going to get their money. That's what they think. So how do you hedge that? Well, just in case they don't pay us back, I'm going to make my money off the shorts, assuming that they fall down. I'm going to bet on the decline of this company because we just gave them $400 million at the peak of their decline. They're not stupid. They're not risking anything. They have a risk assessment team that's better than AMC's, apparently. The AMC don't care, bro. They don't care where they're getting their money from. They don't care who they're taking it from. They're just trying to survive. They're a fish out of water. Don't senior bonds get paid first after liquidation? Yes, RP. They get paid first no matter what happens. They have to know AMC is going bankrupt, so what are they hoping for? I don't know what they're hoping for. AMC doesn't have enough money to buy, and no, they do not. To get pieces of assets when AMC closes down? Yes, they do. Yeah. Anything with, what was this? With perfected security investment or interest, I was so sorry, would be paid first after administrative expenses. Yes. So absolutely, these senior notes will be paid first. Must be. I like yoga. Not AMC, though. Rock'em Sock'em Yoga Girls, I have no idea. Boss Buns claims he's streaming today. Wonder where his 100K is at now. Oh, it's got to be under. I mean, he bought in at like $8, $7, somewhere in that range. I don't even know what he bought it. I mean, it's ridiculous. But you're down 20-something percent, 30%. You're a good investor. You would sell and you would get out of the way. You'd cut your losses, supposedly. These guys won't, right? They're going to ride all the way to the ground. Yeah. I'm telling you guys, MOAS is $20. So if you're over 20, all right. MOAS is $20. BlackRock did this to you. BlackRock sold 41% of their position and they just let it fall. They don't have to. BlackRock buys in. BlackRock buys in to loan out shares to stay there and be the nasty man in the whole transaction. That's what BlackRock does. That's why their average hold position is like 26 quarters or something. Like that's the average length of their hold of most companies. Now, they bought in on HYMC. Yeah, they're gonna just sit in there and just shit all over everybody. It's no difference. AMC investors got one expensive lifelong lesson, but maybe they'll never learn. No, DB, they'll never play again. Unfortunately, some of them are going to die. Some of them are going to take their own lives. Some of them don't see a way out of this, and it's very unfortunate. I really want them to come over, and I'll talk to them. Guys, it's just money. AMC investors that are losing money right now, and you know it's never coming back. I'm telling you, I have been so confident in this stock and the life of it, and I'm the only guy who's going to tell you the truth. There's liars out here. There's pump men. There's hype men. There's all of that. I've never been that guy for this stock. Yes, for GameStop, sure. But I've never said, oh, GameStop tomorrow, guys, guess what? $2,000 a share. Nope. I said, all right, guys, give it time. It'll get to the S&P 500. We'll figure it out. And they'll figure it out, even on the short side of it. But fundamentally, we have a great investment. Sure. We know what we hold. What the hell's happening here? Well, exactly what I told you was going to happen. It got worse. They borrowed money when they have none. This is like, remember that gambling problem where you're writing post-dated checks and you're floating commission checks that haven't even come? Adam Aron's literally going into these offices saying, listen, we've got a slate of good movies. We've got these bag holders that are willing to hold forever. Come on, man. Let me just get 400 million. Can I get a little? Can I get some? Can I get a taste? Got any more of them? Got any more of them bombs? Can I get any more? Yeah, you can. Drug addict. But Adam Aron's not risking his money. He's risking yours. So it doesn't matter. And the insiders knew that. That's why they sold off. Yeah, no way he bought 100K. Yeah, I guess he did. I don't even know. He did on live stream, showed GMEDD, then bought AMC and Ape. Yeah, it's so stupid. Jerry, it's so stupid to buy that and one whole pump. Unless you, because I don't think people know how to like really get into a position. You don't have to go buy the whole amount. I mean, you got 100 grand. You're better off buying it in like every 2 minutes. Just every 2 minutes, buy it. You know, if you had 100 grand, I'd tell you buy in $500 every 2 minutes and create some price action, create some movement. And no, if you bought it all at once, you're going to get chopped off all at once. It's going to happen. Then he probably sold it immediately. Yeah, I wouldn't doubt that either, Kyoto. Keep up the grind, man. We're all suffering together in this dilemma. I'm not suffering. Alien Scout, I'm not suffering one bit. The hell are you talking about suffering? Who's suffering? Look at this. Suffering, succotage. The only person suffering are Ape, AMC, HYMC, that'll never touch a dollar. Oh my God. And then you think BBBY, what a good buy, by the way. I saw it at 4 something. Yeah, I saw it down here at 4.99. I'm telling you guys, this is the buy. This is the demand zone, the buy zone. Good job, Trey. Making up new words. But for me, how the hell am I hurting? What am I hurting on? This is amazing. Here, just so people know what the hell we're looking at. Here's a 2-hour chart. Does that look like it's hurting? Looks like it found the bottom. Look like it found the bottom and we're on our way. From 1940 all the way up to 2610. That right there, every $2 is 10%, right? So you're going to look at around, just ballparking it, 35%, 30%? 30% increase for the last, I don't know, 6 months? I'm not worried about it at all. I knew when we hit the bottom, and so did Ryan Cohen and Larry Chang and Alan Adel. They bought in right here. This is where they bought in. 1940 and up. Gone. Boom. Now we're doing this bullshit, but we're still going up. There's nothing going to hold you down. Can't hold me down. Oh, no. 570 though, man. But, oh, man, this is going up, man. This is it. This is the run. Hey, last time it ran like this, and then just to get shorted down again. And I don't want to say shorted down. I mean sold off. You guys don't know. You guys know. You guys can't be this naive. Borrowing money when you have none is wild. Finding this channel and trading my AMC for GME was one of my best choices ever. Thank you, Dane Slayer. Thank you. I appreciate that. Those are kind words, man. Good man, Dane. A lot of people feel the same way you do, Dane Slayer. Checkmate is correct. Adam Aaron has checkmated his shareholders, without a doubt. There's like thousands of companies, and the percentage that have little to no debt is tiny. That should say enough right there. Yeah, bro, 14%. That should say enough. Scott Pullen, if you ever came into a 14%, I'd look at you like, what? Who? That's why I don't even buy Jack in the Box tacos. They increased the price 50%. Inflation on their loan? No. Like Joe Biden. Let's go, Adam. Hey, you know what's crazy? Your boy Joe is like, no recession's coming. No, it'll be a quick recession. If any. Hey, Joe. Gas. Natural gas. Oil. Food. The PPI was, I believe, 8.3% today. Inflation is real. Housing in the 7s. Joey, are you paying attention? Ridiculous, Joe. Ridiculous. My dollar's not worth more today than it was 10 years ago. Let's go, Brandon. Okay. Dane, yeah, I remember when you came in here and dumped your AMC. I bet you smiling right now. Hell yeah, Kyoto. Hey, Dane Slayer, you know what, bro? I'm going to put that on my back. I'm going to put a whole bunch of patches on the back of my jacket, and it's just going to be like dudes that I saved, right? Like dudes and dudesettes. Like, people don't really know that. People don't know your story. A lot of the people's stories that came in here, they were in here. There was a whole group of people, okay, guys, just running back for the last 2 years that have been looking at me like I'm crazy. Marantz, there's no way. There's no way. You're wrong. Okay. I said, no, it's not the play. You guys really shouldn't be over there. I know you bought in at 30, 20, 40, 50. I even had people take a loss. Thank God they took a loss then right now. Look at this shit. Oh, it's to the moon. Look at it. Go. 571. Here. I should just overlap it with this right here, right? And then just show you again how it's going to happen again. But hey, what do I know? It's going to bounce all the way back, guys. This is so bullish. $400 million is bullish that they borrowed. You know what I used to have this dude. I used to know this guy. I used to go up to him and be like, yo, man, how's everything going? He's like, oh, just saving my money, stacking my money. I'm like, yeah, how's your credit? He's like, oh, my credit's terrible. I said, why is your credit terrible? Because I'm stacking my money. I was like, hey, man, you got to pay your bills with that money. Like, what are you doing? When are you going to become an adult? He was like, no. I'm going to buy a house. I was like, hey, you know that you have to have good credit to buy the house. No, I think I could just buy it. Okay, you're going to stack that much money. All right, cool. So then pandemic hits. Nope, boom, he buys the house. And he goes, hey, you're right, man. I had to fix my credit before I bought that house. Yeah, all right, well, here you go. Better late than never. That's it. And I'm telling you, Adam Aaron, you got to fix your money before you think you can pay off your debt. But except they have no money coming in. None. Blockbuster will come back before AMC does. Yeah. Am I crazy? I haven't seen you in a while, man. DJ, good morning. How you doing? What's good, iRider? What's good, fam? You know, guys, I haven't been doing any NFT giveaways. And I don't even know what's in my wallet, to be honest with you. I haven't checked it. I know I owe you guys some NFTs. I know I gave some to Kyoto to hand out. But I just want to see what I have in my wallet really quick while you're here. I got some stuff in there to hand out. I still owe people NFTs. Oh, that's a new one. That is gross. Oh, and these are cool. Okay, I got some ones from there. Okay, I have some new stuff. But what the hell is this? Gloria the Pocket Whore. Have you guys... I'm going to make this bigger, guys. Okay. Hey, caution to everyone. I don't plan on showing any nudity here. I'm just showing you the NFT that's in my wallet. Please, layer 2. I don't know who made this, and I don't want to know. But this shit is gross. I don't know who the hell Gary Gensler is, if that's Gary Gensler. But come on, man. Come on. His acorns, I can't do it. Let's go back. Oh, whoever sent that to my wallet, I'm going to report you to the authorities. That's what I'm going to do. It's ridiculous, bro. God damn. MMTLP running. Big oil isn't going anywhere anytime soon. Thank you, Anthony. Well, I appreciate you. AJ Patel, how you been, man? I haven't seen you in a while either. AJ, man, you got some real lurkers coming out the woodworks today. How we doing? GME, let's get it. Yes, absolutely. Kai's Malej is serving top tier DD off of NFT. Oh, bro, don't start with me. I remember Marantz in your kitchen watching you sell AMC. Yeah, hot this year. I did do that. And I don't mind. I don't mind it one bit. Marantz, yep. What's up, guys? Some Marantz. And all the chat. Why does Ryan Cohen tweet something similar to what Elon Musk tweet also? I don't look that far deep into it. I've tweeted similar things right here. I've said the same things that Kyoto writes. Maybe we just have the same mind. You just never know. Stop the tinfoil. I read that DD. There you go. I'll let you guys have it. But cheers to everybody. I'm still bullish on Bed Bath & Beyond. It will go back up. Just give it time. I think so too. I think it'll go to $10. I think it's worth $10 a share. And the fact that it's $5 right now, well, there you go. There's a 100% run. When's it going to happen? I don't know. But I think that's what it's really worth at the moment. AMC is for the cheap, wishful thinkers. You know what's crazy, Dunny Guns? And welcome back, Dunny. Appreciate you, bro. The crazy part about that is everyone got an AMC because they said it was cheaper, right? And so they're like, there's no way. It's cheaper. And then when it ran in June, it went all the way up to $70 and people were buying it at 30 and 40 and 50 because GameStop was 350. It's cheaper. What about now? GameStop's at $25, $26. What's your excuse for not buying GameStop right now at $26? Remember, all you guys look at is price point anyway. You guys don't care that a percentage of the float or percentage of the company that you're buying. You guys are nerds about this stuff. Well, AMC is at least. How do you not understand float size and why your price is cheaper? You're getting less of the company for the cheaper price, right? For the less expensive price. It's just ridiculous. Brian Lloyd, good morning. Yes, sir. Marantz, on all caps. That's very bullish for me. So don't worry. Yeah, don't worry. That's all I can tell you. It's just weird. I'm confused. I'm not confused. Just coincidence? Sure. Still Peach and Tozer. What's up, man? Okay, Lou. You know it all. Hey, Fish. I'm not Lou, man. And it's sad because you guys make personal attacks whenever someone gives you info. I've literally said documented things. See, a guy like Lou who said there's a second set of books. This is what they're doing. This is what the hedgies are doing. This. No, I don't give a shit. I'm telling you what the company is doing. That's the difference here. I'm not talking about the boogeyman. I'm not talking about the Wizard of Oz. I'm not talking about any of that. I'm talking about what the company is doing. How can you dispute what Adam Aron is physically doing with your investment? Like, what merit do you have? What grounds do you have to stand on? I literally use SEC filings and tell you exactly what he says and how he says it and why it's wrong. And yet I'm the one, you think I know it all? I don't know it all. I know that you've lost it all. I know that. Does that make me a fucking genius? No. It makes it unfortunate for you. I know that you're a follower because you didn't come up to this conclusion on your own. I know plenty. I might know it all. Shit. It just hit me. Oh my God. Hey, by the way, Fish, Fish Ones, this is Marantz Rantz. This is a show. People come every day. They get the truth, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice, and then they leave. And then they come back. And they do it again, and then they leave. And they come back. They do it again, and they leave. It's your first time here. How about you come, get a little information, a little bit of motivation, leave, and come on back. We'll see how it works. Because I got Jesus here. Jesus is even back. Jesus is having a blessed day. Good morning, Amo. How you doing, man? Welcome back. Somebody play Gods Unchained. Type in Marantz. If you're playing Gods Unchained, type in Marantz in the challenge code, and there you go. Welcome, the AMC bag holder. Hello, Marantz. Hope you're having a blessed day. AMC to the tomb. Well, Jesus, that's a little harsh. Let me tell you something, Jesus. I thought about you all weekend. I really did. I thought about United Church. What does that mean? Coincidence confirmed. Yeah. Fish ones. How many AMC shares do you have? Oh my God, it's terrible, man. Just look at the SEC filing for how RC bought in. Great example. Thank you so much, Rip, and you're absolutely right. Smack the like button, y'all. Yeah, he bought in $100,000, and he did it all day long. I know exactly what you're talking about. AMC, I like the stock. Me too. Me too. Said no one ever. I watched him for a minute, and he said he couldn't buy more than 3,000 at a time. Oh, God. I actually give Marantz all the credit to why I sold my AMC in exchange for Bed Bath & Beyond. So great. I listened to my pal. Wilbur Dodge, you're welcome. There's the first thing. Second thing, good luck with Bed Bath & Beyond, because that's a scary one for me. I don't know why you didn't buy this, but it's cool. Suffering in the EU. Yeah, I bet, Alien, you're right. Tried to buy today, didn't get the dip yet. What do you mean? The whole thing's a dip. The whole thing's a dip. Hey, did we calm down over here? Are we good there at 571? Did they think it was the MOAS right now? MOAS is triggering. MOAS. The only MOAS around here. Adam Aaron getting MOAS of your money. We're not suffering. We're trying to party. Yeah, the EU. It's not good over there, man. No, it's not. I admire your patience talking to these AMC and ape retailers. I argued sometimes with them on Reddit and thought that they would be beyond help. Sean Marcos, let me tell you something, dude. I don't care. I don't care if they tell me till the day I die, shut up. Marantz, you're not allowed to talk about that. Marantz, you're a GameStop guy. You got a GameStop shirt on. You got GameStop in the background. All you are is GameStop. Yeah, I am. But when I see a lady getting mugged, I walk over and I beat the shit out of the dude who's doing it. That's not going down on my block. This is my block. And when I see Adam Aaron robbing people left and right, and the grifters sending them in their direction, calling in the hits, I'm not going to stand for it. I'm going to come out here and I'm going to fight every goddamn day for what's right. I promise you, if AMC did something positive, I would report the positive. I did. Olivia Newton-John, when they did a whole movie theater thing for her and fight cancer, and they were giving all the proceeds to cancer, I was like, this is awesome. Now I can get behind that. I'd actually go to the movie for that. That's it. AMC YouTubers and Redditors and Twitter people, they could all come see me, man. I made a video for them last night, guys. Feel free to watch it. But I'll never stop speaking the truth, and I'll never stop fighting the fight, Sean. I can't, because all it takes is one. It's brick by brick, you're damn right. But all it takes is one person. If I can save one person, I did my part for my lifetime. And I've already saved many. And I'm going to keep going. I'm not going to stop. So excited, Marantz. Buying an artificial Christmas tree from GameStop this year. So happy to support my favorite company. Thought GME just sold video games. Jackson G-Pops, if you saw, they're selling Christmas trees. They're selling Halloween costumes. They're selling playpins. They're selling anything they can get their hands on, man. And they're doing great. So if you need a great Christmas tree, there it is. Smart moves, Wilbur Dodge. Well, smart move. His first smart move was watching the show. So he did damn good there. Sean, welcome to the channel. Marantz has been fighting the AMC bot clown army since April of 2021. Kyoto. January on Reddit. Even before that, should have had my Reddit since November of 2020. And I was in there just like battling about Doge and ETH and everything else. But I got rid of everything when I figured out GameStop was where I wanted to be, where I knew it was the right thing. But yes, been fighting these clowns forever. You're absolutely right. Fighting AMC since, well, March. March really, like when I started putting it down on paper. Your disdain for popcorn stock sustains me. Please continue. DB, I got you. Unplugged. I just got margin called. Now I'm trying to decide how many AMC shares to sell. How do you feel about the stock short? How do you feel about the stock short term, long term? Hey, Unplugged. Well, margin called. You were buying AMC shares on margin, or were you buying other things on margin and you have since fallen through on your long, right? Your collateral for your whatever you were buying on margin. That's what I'm guessing. I'm guessing you were buying something else on margin, and that's fallen down so far, and now they're coming for what you really have on hand, which is AMC shares. You got to liquidate, right? Unplugged, I don't know how old you are, man. I know that in my 20s, I took a bath. That's the phrase we use in finance, period, whenever you have to file for bankruptcy and or you lose it all. I didn't file for bankruptcy, but I lost it all. And I went in and I was trying to, you even try to like give your car back. You're like, hey man, I need to get out of this thing. But they're going to tell you, you're so far, you're upside down. You can't do that. Okay, well, let me get out of this phone contract. Let me cut off my cable. Let me do all these things. And it doesn't matter. I'm back to having cable on TV because my wife made me this year. Like, I didn't want to have it. Trust me. It's not that I can't afford it. I just know where to cut all my losses. And in this case, because you've been involved with AMC for so long, you might have to cut your losses here. I don't give out this financial advice to you. I would just tell you, how do I feel about the stock short term? I feel that they're going to do anything they can to survive short term. And I feel that short term for me is about 3 to 5 years. They're going to fail. They're going to fail miserably at this because it's a bad business model. If you read the P&Ls and if you know how the balance sheet is working not in their favor, it just got worse today. You're adding $400 million instant to your bottom line, as in the debt you owe. So they now owe $5.5 billion debt right now, maybe almost $6 billion cash, corporate cash debt. And on those senior notes, they are eventually going to have to make payments towards whatever they owe. But remember, Adam Aron's the amazing string it along guy. So even though they got $400 million, he's going to let that sit on the books for this quarter right now when they report. And when the way they report it, they're going to be like, well, we have cash equivalents and credit on hand, X amount of dollars. So it doesn't look so drastic. Because when you have cash on hand, this is what people need to understand about AMC. Cash on hand and available cash to them is how they get their PSUs, the performance stock units. It's in the bylaws. It's in the contract. So this is why they got raises and bonuses during COVID. They had cash on hand raised from selling said shares. So they were willing to dilute the float and do what's worse for the investor and the stockholder just because they wanted to line their pockets with a couple of $1 million. And they did it. They don't care. That's why they had the monetarium that, as far as selling shares. They were willing to sell every share they own because they had to get the hell out of the way on this one because they knew where it's going. They knew it's going here right now. These guys have known this the whole time, but I've said this the whole time. This is not a stock you want to buy long term. This is not a stock you want to buy short term. This is not a stock you want to touch. Not while that leadership team is in place. That leadership team is meant to destroy this company, gut it. May, right? May is when the channel started, sure. But as far as writing DD and going, it's well before that, RWK. We started this channel, just so for all you new guys, we started this channel because I didn't agree with the way Trey and Matt and anyone else in the crowd at the time was talking about AMC and GameStop being together and partners. So I just came out with it. I had enough. And I started out and I used to have one person watch me every day. 2 people, 3 people. So we've grown brick by brick. We do the best we can. But I will tell you, we've been dead on about every investment that's come across our table. And we do really well. We have a good team here. We've built it up together. Myself, Kyoto, Ruben, Almo, Linda Real, Ravenstown, Peppered. Even Ralph has helped. You guys know who you are. Even the ones that are not moderators have helped. High Rider. I got guys like Dunny Guns who's pushing out to everybody. Brand new for me. I know he's been in Cosmic's channel for a long time, but guys who finally come around that know what the hell we're preaching every day. This is real. We wake up every day and we kill it, man. So I wish you the best of luck, Unplugged. You know where to get the info. The juice is here, but there's no way I can play that short or long. It's not something that I want to get into that it's going to increase anytime soon. I think that it's going to keep coming down from here. I think people don't really know the levels of support that they don't have. You couldn't find $1 on this stock at 280, 290. That's when Mudrick came in and got it in December. So you didn't find a buyer in the 3s and the 4s and the 5s. You're not going to find that right now either. So certainly not with the amount of debt that they're rolling over. And this third quarter that's about to hit. Remember, movies don't move the market. I want to put that out there for everyone so everybody knows. Everybody's not acting surprised. you're going to get tagged. You're going to get tagged because songs don't move radio stations. That's why movies don't move the market. It's how do you run your business? What is your SG&A? What are your expenses versus your profits? It's a simple balance sheet. It's plus and minus, simple arithmetic. And if you go do that for your investment on AMC, if you really look at the numbers and you listen to me, guys, go read the SEC filing for the annual shareholders meeting. Go read it for the quarterlies. When you read the 10Qs and you're going that route, I want you to do something. Put the annual shareholders meeting on mute. Put it on mute. Do not listen to what Adam Aaron is telling you. Just read the numbers. If you want social sentiment, if you want all that, you want to get like a cheerleader, you want somebody to get you motivated, that's what he's going to come in and do. And he's going to steal your heart away from you. It's going to cost you. He's a con man. He's a salesman. That's what he does. What makes GameStop so different? Well, one line, debt. GameStop has zero debt. So I don't give a shit what GameStop tells me. I don't care how forward-leaning they are. I don't care how futuristic and, forward-thinking where they're like, oh, in 5 years, we're going to be a tech company. Like, I don't care. They can do anything they want to do because they don't have debt. That's the biggest difference here. And I want people to know that. Having zero debt gives you the opportunity to walk tall. It's like walking through a store with good credit. You walk through a good credit, they can buy anything they want at that point. You walk through a bad credit, it's like, what the hell are they doing here? They're either a thief or they're lying. They're a scammer. You'd better pray for resurrection or welcome the incoming chapter 11. Yeah, that's coming without a doubt. I mean, the bankruptcy's on the table. They just don't know that. These guys don't want to admit it and they don't want to tell you. So prolonging the inevitable is going to hurt. Jesus loves you, Marantz. AMC to the moon. Well, thank you, Jesus. I really appreciate that. GameStop's so good, I just keep trading NFTs, playing GU, then routinely hit the nearest GameStop store. I buy shares every now and then. Yeah, Snacks, you guys know I buy a share every day. I really do. And then in addition to buying a share every day, I do go shopping at GameStop very often. Very often. I have over 100-something thousand points. I just keep doing it. Every month I shop there, definitely for my $5 off. But I'm that religious with it. Plus diarrhea. I don't know, Sean J, about diarrhea. Who's the other DB? I think I got rehypothecated. I don't know who's the real DB, who's not. Adam Aaron, Aaron is Judas. Lord have mercy. Jack in the Box. I expect plenty of AMC holders coming in GME rocket soonly. Mr. Y, I don't. Because one thing is this. I don't think there's that many AMC holders. That's the first thing, okay? I don't believe the reports that they tell you. I don't believe the bots that give you clicks. I don't believe the viewership of their YouTube channels because I know how the chat doesn't move. I know how the comments don't match up. And the comments that do come in, they are bots because you can see multiple of the same comment multiple times. Like, I've been in this space for a long time. I know it's real. I know it's not. So these YouTubers making money off of it thinking, oh, well, look at my video. My video gets all these views. Bro, what do you make a view? A penny a view? That's an easy fight. That's an easy thing. You're going to pocket $100 a video by having 10,000 views and you think that's going to be your claim to fame? Bro, you're nothing. You're nothing in the grand scheme of it all. So I'm happy with my 1,000 views, bro. I'm happy with my 500 views. Well, I get more than that, but yeah, 1,000. No, you get 1,000. What's that? It's like $4. I swear to God, don't care because I'm not here for the $4. I'm here for the info. I'm here for you. I always have been. RWK. Marantz was posted in Reddit back in April, getting banned off AMC subreddits and other subreddits. Yeah, for calling out AMC. Absolutely. That is true, Kyoto. You're absolutely right. I forgot about all that. I have posts 2 years old already on Reddit and or coming up to 2 years, and they're looking for me. But yeah, I've been banned on all that. You saved me as well. Put my name on the list, Coach. Well, no problem, Snacks. I try. I'm on that list. The majority of AMC with a couple of GME found the channel and went fully into GameStop. Thank you. Johnny who gets me? What gets me? AMC investors don't know what preferred stock is. They didn't read the fine print. That is correct, John Who. They didn't, Johnny. They saw the ticker APE and rather than debt. Yep. Good morning. Glad you're feeling and looking better, Marantz. I was concerned. Oh, no, I was just tired, man. Tired. I got life in front of me. You know, we've got it all planned out. I will not be here on the 25th. I might be here for a little bit, but the 26th I will not be here. It's my grandmother's funeral, and I will not be ready to go live that day. No. But there you go. Where was I at? Glad you're there we go. What's up? They appeared in my wallet as well. That one appeared in my wallet as well. Oh, the naked chick? Yeah, I don't even know. Rick James, trust me, Marantz has saved probably hundreds of people, if not thousands. Yes, without a doubt. I do the best I can, though. I really do. 100 avatars couldn't save AMC. That is true. The movie itself, sure. Can Avatar save AMC? Lee's word, no. No again. Can I give you the example? I just want you to know. Lee's, so like I want you to do this math, okay? So let's just say it's the biggest movie of all time, which it won't be, but let's just say it is. Let's just say it does $2 billion. Out of the market cap of AMC movie theaters versus Cinemark and Regal and everything else out here, there's 3,000 movie theaters in America, okay? 3,000 individual movie theaters, and AMC has 600. So they traditionally have 20 to 25%, all the way up to almost 30% of the market cap. So whenever you see them do $2 billion on a movie, that's the overall box office. How much of that is actually AMC's? You could even call it 40%. I wouldn't even care. So then you're sitting right there and you're looking at $800 million. How much of that is AMC's money? Probably none of it. Like it literally goes down to concessions. So for the $800 million that they're making on the box office itself, let's just give them fair value 10%. You're looking at about $80 million. $80 million on box office plus concessions. And that's not enough to survive the quarters that you see on a cash burn. The first 2 quarters this year, $617 million. And that's with Minions. And that's with Jurassic Park. And that's with Top Gun. Like, you just got to know. That's with Doctor Strange. The business model's not there for this movie theater company. They're too big. And it's not that they're too big to fail. They just have too many dead movie theaters. They don't make enough money. We're not going anywhere. Thank you, Rick James. I appreciate that. Or we're really not. But I'm with you. I'll take it. Hey, Greg, Fernando, if you want it, you can have it. That damn NFT. I already know. It looks like Kramer with the Ginsler together. I don't even know, man. Yeah, Adam Aaron called it ape, so they feel important when they're going to buy it, when they're going to feel like they're going to do something. Yeah, it's just unfortunate. Abe, you can have it. Send me your wallet again. Let's spin the wheel for it. Oh, you guys want that naked one with the nuts out? You guys are gross, bro. I'm not spinning the wheel for anything today. I don't have time for that. I'm here for 10. I actually have to go get my son in a little bit, but I'm here for a while. Give me another hour and I'll be here. I'm just going to catch up in the chat and I'll get out of here. I just want to tell you how bad AMC was today for borrowing $400 million on 14%. My God. It's not like they borrowed $200, bro. They borrowed $400 million. And it's bad. Got a gold card from the NFT GameStop Pro membership giveaway. Oh, that's cool, Rick James. I didn't because I haven't emailed them yet and got my damn email, but I will. I'll be down 10K if I stayed in AMC. Well, there you go. Saved you 10K. That's not the moon. That's a cream-filled donut? Sure. Stupid work keeps getting in the way of my Marantz morning show. King Kong Downey, I'm around, man. There's an AMC drip, without a doubt, compared to even on Bed Bath & Beyond. AMC holders, it's cheaper to keep her. My God, let me tell you something. I'm with that. Lucifer, if your wife was cheating on you, getting banged out every day by somebody else, but yet she comes home and she cooks you dinner, is that good enough? Is that good? How about this? What if she just came home and spit on you and punched you in the nuts? Then you really wouldn't do it. That's what AMC's doing to these fools. He's not even giving them dinner anymore. Not even giving free popcorn anymore. It's over. Yeah, they can't buy GME because they lost it all on AMC. Exactly. That was my point. Anthony Hopkins NFT, real interest. People unaware of the NFT marketplace as a whole. Sure, I don't know about Anthony Hopkins NFTs. I don't know anything about that. AMC will not mow ass. You complained about the buy button in January and you didn't disable. Is that what that says? I can't even see it from here. Didn't disable the buy button in June. So why didn't it run to 500K? Professor, this is what I said. I said, why did it stop running? If that's the case, why did it stop running? Anybody want to tell me? And I told you why. Because it's not what you think it is. So MOAS right now on AMC is $20. And that's it. Number 47, 125 in here. Oh, yeah. So we need to get more than 47 likes. Is that it? We have 57 likes. Well, I appreciate you guys. I really do. Yeah, what happened to Lou? That dude bounced and got locked up again. No, I guess he's pushing out another stock from what I hear. But it doesn't matter to me because I think that it's ignorance to take the word of anyone who was at one time pushing out crypto in the place of AMC. First it was AMC, then it's all a bunch of smoke and mirror talk. It's never very matter of fact. I was talking to my dudes and we were at lunch, and to my financial guys. Who the fuck's talking to Lou about anything financial other than lunch? I mean, it's not going to happen, bro. Bed Bath & Beyond 1 minute is really barcoding now. Well, yeah, I mean, it's at a good point right now. Plus, why do popcorn blame everyone but themselves? Oh, yeah. Why didn't you take responsibility for your own bad advice? Just own it. Yeah, I agree with that. We've had that conversation. It's everyone else's fault, and now it's Adam Aaron's fault. Adam, you're not doing enough. We're going to revolt. We're going to get there. I'm on the verge of asking Froggy to the channel. Not Froggy Stonks, but the other guy, the other Froggy. There's 2 Froggies in AMC. His name's Jeremy. He's a Cowboy fan, so I kind of like that part. But he's pretty ugly looking. He looks like a little nerd, a little weasel. And but I want to ask him. I want to bring an AMC guy on the channel, and I want to ask them. How do you feel today? Like, how do you feel? I'm just gonna be like, yo, man, how does it feel to be wrong? That's it. Professor AMC will never run 500K. It won't go anywhere. So as GameStop short interest with no involvement in stocks and NFTs. So as a GameStop, I don't even know what that means. SL. I don't know exactly what you're saying, but yeah, I got it. Wilbur Lou is now putting out content like GTII, RNVA, and other fun retail money sucks. Yeah, it's too bad, man. Are you saying AMC is dead? Dr. Dazzle, it's beyond dead. It's been dead. It's been a play on you from day one. AMC has never been alive. It has been done. I've said that for a year and a half. And everyone called me a liar and a shill and everything else. And I said, no, I'm not. I'm just a realist. I read the filings, and I wish you guys did too. AMC is dead. Yes, good job. What's up, everyone? How are you doing? AMC was never alive. Thank you, Dunny. Dunny said what I said. I just downloaded and started level 1. Oh, good job. So many people bought AMC instead of GME because it was cheaper. Oh, it's so bad, man. Adam Aaron should be sued, and he will, TJ Lucas. He already has 6 cases against him. He already settled 1, or 2, I'm sorry. But he's got more cases coming against him. It's never going to stop. What's good, Stacks? Everything. There's nothing questionable about GME. AMC only has questions. There you go. And no, Lee's World Avatar cannot save AMC. No, they're 2 under. It's too bad. Hi, they have to close half their movie theaters. You want AMC to survive, guys? Let them close their footprint to half. 500. Close 500, lay off all the employees, get rid of all that expense, all that operating debt, get rid of everything. And let those 500 of your best movie theaters thrive, and then maybe you got a chance. But you're carrying dead weight. Every time he says, well, we have the top 30 movie theaters in America. Yeah, well, I'm sorry to tell you this, brother, but you actually have 1,000 movie theaters. And when you have 1,000 movie theaters, let me know how much they're not making. Hi, all in the chat. Now the time to dump this useless woman if you're not happy before the holidays. Yeah, trying to tell you. You can't use Adam Aaron. He told everyone straight up what was going to happen. He told everyone what was going to happen by selling his shares, by telling you there's no synthetics, and letting you know that he was bringing out Ape Equity Unit, and he was going to cut it, and he was going to take your money. He told everybody. And nobody, all they said, it's going to expose synthetics. It's going to expose this. I'm like, and I said it to everybody. I go, what are you talking about? There are none. There never has been any. And I know people don't understand it because these guys are like stuck in a little echo chamber, but the volume doesn't represent that. Even when the volume was crazy and it was 1.5 billion in June that week or those 2 weeks, 1.5 billion, that's just 3 times the float. That's not everything like they think it is. It's just too much. Just whacking and stacking subfloor with Marantz ranting over the saws and compressors. Let me tell you about whacking and stacking. That's something you never want to say to another grown man, Stacks. If you are whacking and stacking, I want no part of it. I don't want to be the voice you hear over it. And to all the dudes on the job site, bro, James is funny, bro. He's a Broncos fan. He's funny. He likes dudes with little mittens. He's mad that Teddy Bridgewater left. I was always here. I'm always here when I'm well. 100% GameStop, but also 1% ATAR. Okay, so then you're not 100%. Okay, but I got you. I'm an ice rescue captain on Gods. Well, there you go. Who am I playing? I don't know who they're playing. Type in Marantz in the Gods Unchained Challenge tab, and you'll see you'll meet up with other people part of the channel. You meet up with other Marantz guys. Good morning, everyone. Just watched that AMC 400 million, 12 to 14% loan. It's 14 from the reports I'm getting, but yeah, it's bad. I just used the codes on Gods. There you go. Hey, Marantz, we hitting 28 this week on GME. Josh Brown, stop your bullshit. Hey, Josh, stop buying options for the week of, bro. I'll stab you. I'll slap you. I'll do all the above. I think that we have a good stock. I think we have a good company, and I just buy more of it. I don't predict the price per week. You know this. Josh, you've been watching me for over a year, bro. Like, at what point are you just going to be like, you know what, bro? Thanks. Just come in and just be like, hey, what's up? Good morning. No. Hey, Marantz, you really think, this is going to hit there? Yeah, I bought American Airlines, and I think it's going to go to $25. Josh, that one's not going to happen. All right, man. All right, so here's what I bought. I bought SNDL, and I think it's going to $3 tomorrow. Josh, that's not going to happen. I've been dealing with Josh forever, bro. I love the kid. I love him. My Reddit account is like 13 years old. I still don't have enough karma to post on Superstock. Hey, if you want, just go post on like AMC subreddits. Like go to one and just say AMC to the moon. You get all the karma you want, bro. And then comment on some stuff and you get everything you need. Just talk positive about AMC and all the bots that come running. AMC is $5.69. What should I buy right now? I don't give out financial advice, Lee Word, but I wish you the best of luck. I'm only buying GameStop. I only buy GameStop. GameStop's the play for me. Thank you. Yeah, y'all cut, I will buy. Y'all cut, I will buy. I have no idea, Mike Woods, what that means. I speak English. Word, whatever your heart desires. There you go. Tired of this market. Why are you tired of this market? GameStop's everything. It ruined my relationship. No. Be back 24/7. Diamond hands, yes. Hey, Lee's Word. At some point, you need to take responsibility for your actions. You really do. And I'm telling you, bro, it gets better. And if the relationship was ruined based off of your decisions that you made, well, maybe that relationship's just not strong in the first place. Maybe you weren't meant to be there. I'm going to tell you, I've made the biggest mistakes in my life over the last 15 years. And my wife has been by my side the whole time. Thick and thin. Hell or high water. It's going to work. It's going to work. If she's ride or die, she's a ride or die. Get out of your own skin. Do not worry about a fucking stock price, bro. This market means jack and shit. Go to work. Go make some money. Be a good man. Make right decisions. Don't get arrested. Don't put yourself in jeopardy. That's it. Live a wholesome life. Be thoughtful. Be mindful of everyone around you. Be respectful. And you're going to be okay. Didn't ruin your relationship. Your relationship was ruined the minute you found somebody who didn't want to support you, what you want to do. Well, my wife's running into the ground with me. She's like, all right, baby. She knows I'm up every day. I slept 3 hours last night. Who was on the phone with me last night? I had Almo text me at 2 o'clock in the morning. Ask him. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm up at 5 texting Kyoto and everybody else about all the updates I'm getting. You don't think my wife is like, yo, can I get some me time? Can I get this time? Yeah, baby, I'll get with you on my day off. Babe, what do you need? You need me to throw the trash? I took out the trash cans last night. Sharon reminded me. Yes. Text. What else? Like, you got to find time to own this shit yourself, bro. I don't mean to call you out that way, Lees. I'm just telling you, man. I've been a part of this for a long time. I've been on this planet for almost 40 years now. And I'm not saying I'm older than the next guy. There's some older guys out there, but I've been through a lot of scenarios. When you play out those scenarios in real time, you just tell yourself, is it worth it? There's 8.5 billion people on this planet. Can I literally go find another one? Go find another one, bro. Go find another one that wants to ride it out with you, male or female. I don't care. Best relationship advice I ever got was from Stacks. Stacks is right here telling me we're going to be bros. He and I. This don't work out with him and Rachel, me and my wife. We're literally going to be together. Stacks. We're going to go and we're going to get a house out in Denver. Get some good weather going. We're just going to sit there. And we're going to watch movies together. We're going to watch the games together. No one's going to bitch and complain about what's going on around the house. We're going to be able to hook up with whoever we want. Bring them home, send them back. That's it, man. We're going to live that life. Find the value in life. Find the fun in life. Find the jokes in life, man. That shit, don't come in here crying about how the market did something to you. Nope. This market did nothing to you. You made those decisions. You decided not to click on my channel. No, I'm joking, man. I'm joking. I'm having fun too, though. But let's take that. Need a bounce. You need a bounce? You don't need a bounce. You want one. There's a big difference here. Money that's in that market is gone. It's yours, whatever. It'll go great. Let me tell you something, man. Any money you put in this market will eventually come back to you unless you bought something that you shouldn't have bought, like AMC. But if you're buying stuff that is down, well, the market's down. You buy Apple, are you crying? Man, Apple needs to come back up, man. This is bullshit. AMD is down at $57. This is nonsense. No. Like, all right, I'll get it back. NVIDIA, 115. Nah, I'll get it back. Just chill. Chill. Or go back to work and make more money. And while you're at work, find a little cutie that you see around anywhere. Men, you want the advice? You want the relationship advice? Yeah, I got it. You see somebody you like. I don't care if it's a total stranger. They're going to stay a stranger until you talk to them. You just walk up and be like this. This is a perfect game. I give you the perfect icebreaker you ever want in your life. Hey, how you doing? Hi. What's your name? Why are you talking to me? You're a weirdo. Get away from me. No. You just walk up and you say like this. Hey, have you heard about GameStop? And they're going to look at you like you're crazy. And then that's what you're going to find out. You're going to find out if they care. But for one person that says, yeah, or one person that says, what do you mean? Tell me more. Maybe that's somebody that you want to hang out with. Just be the icebreaker. Let GameStop be the icebreaker because it's going to be the one common thread that you're going to need to have in life. The common denominator you need to make this life work. Trust me. I give you a trust me, bro moment right now. Bro, but you got to have game. You got to be confident. You can't be walking around with your head down. This market and I need this. Nah, Lee, let it go, babe. You're all right. Make more money. Think like these rich folks. They hedge. Mike Woods, I'm already rich. I'm rich in life. I don't have to think like them at all. I just buy GameStop. Most companies are in debt but don't disclose it. Wrong? Jesus. Companies disclose their debt every day. Every time they do a damn quarterly report. Every time they do an annual report. It's there. They have to disclose it. They're publicly traded companies. What are you talking about, bro? You're ridiculous. Lee's me too. My wife is divorcing me because my investment hasn't panned out yet and some other stuff. King Count Downey, it's all good, bro. You'll find another one. Now I'm talking to you. Mike, one piece of advice is not the same as the other. Is that what it is? Everyone has different account size and strategy, and thus everyone requires different advice. Yep. I spent too much time focusing on AMC going up instead of giving my girl the attention of the day. Nah, no, you didn't. She wasn't the one, bro. Let it go. Let her walk. Les, you guys serious? Yeah, they're serious. But GME, not AMC. No worries. First viewer, Brad Price. Yes, Ravenstown. Brad Price was my first viewer to ever type to me in the chat. You're absolutely right. Organic growth is the best growth. Thank you. I'm absolutely serious. She thinks I'm an idiot. King Count Downey, have you showed her the channel? Have you showed her this channel? You're not an idiot, bro. You're going to be so rich and she's not. And I don't mean so effing rich. No. You're rich in life, bro. You have clarity and it's unfortunate. But hopefully she doesn't cook too good and you can find somebody else that does. Just remember that. Keep it warm. Just pulled over. Has anyone seen the latest Jackson Hunter video? It's the guest, and guess who? Truth about faith, mental fundamentals don't matter. I got mad listening to it. I got so mad listening to it. Thomas Wood, I don't listen to that guy. You can't make a video and have me watch you if you have popcorn ceilings or if you're in a manufactured home. So Common Sense Investor, can't watch him and you have feelings towards it. And Jackson Hunter, no, he has popcorn ceilings, bro. I can't do it. I just want to wet it and shave it, wet it and shave it, and then repaint it and give it some texture and then we can just call Stacks. Stacks can do it. But shit, man. These guys, I'm looking up at my roof right now. Obviously my shit's not popcorn, but this guy, ridiculous, bro. Yeah, you get upset about that guy? You can't. It's his guest who talks about buying AMC on faith. Mental. Oh, man, fundamentals don't matter. I'm just feeling like an early Coca-Cola investor. Enjoy the ride. Oh, there you go. That's good. Back on the drive home, yeah. Can't shareholders vote Adam Aaron out of office? TJ Lucas, they can, but you don't have enough votes. You don't have enough votes. 53% of the shareholders are retail. Go look at the proxy. You don't have enough votes. Thomas, we'll check it out later. Yeah, I guess they will. Jackson Hunter was in the all hands AMC Spaces call yesterday, firing up the crowd and crying. It was fantastic. He'll be leading the group from his own down by the river soon. Yeah, from his van down the river soon. Yeah, I heard the call. If you guys didn't see the call, they had everybody in there. Terrible and Spencer Froggy, the liar himself, the grifter and the shorter. And anyway, and I really broke that down. I caught him lying. But I heard the call and they were like, we have 600 people in here. And I just want to tell them, I'm one of them. How many other GameStop investors are in there just laughing? Like literally, I'm there just to laugh. They were crying. They were having emotional outbreaks and spiritual upliftings. It remind me of like those religious freaks. They get together and like, it's okay. We're all going to put on black Nikes and drink this cyanide because Jesus is coming on that comment right there. Oh my God. Yeah, it's bad, man. After all is said and done, calculating all the money apes put into AMC instead of GME, all the YouTubers using GMEDD and buying AMC, it's a fact, no conspiracy that are our enemies this whole time. They were our enemies the whole time. Yeah. They are our enemies. Yep. Are you all in the chat down in your profile? I'm curious if anyone is beating the markets. Beating the markets. I mean, it's not fair. I have a whole portfolio that's green because I've been buying in like DCA really good for the last 10 years. It's not fair. It's not fair. I was up 41% the previous year, an additional 18% last year. Not fair, Wilbur. Yeah, but I'm up. It's because I buy a lot of Costco, a lot of GameStop, and I do it in moderation. I do really well. I think Bed Bath & Beyond Q3 will be down due to the buying of inventory for the holidays, hoping for a positive Q4. Thoughts? Chuckster, they have a lot of inventory already on hand, but yeah, it's fine. You can buy it, and you'll sit on it. It's fine. I think they're going to be fine. Q3 being down, they're going to be down anyway because they cut their footprint. So they cut their footprint. They started laying people off, and sales will be down. They closed like 150 stores, 250 stores. I don't know how many, but it's not about the overall number. It's more about, are you closing out all the expenses that you have? Are you shortening up that ratio? My 20K buy-in for GameStop was at 165 pre-split. Well, there you go, King Kong Downey. I'm at around 13K now. Oh, you're fine. Your wife's leaving you over 7K, bro? Like, think about that. That's what you're worth to her? Fuck that. Hey, and I say this with all the respect in the world. Fuck that. 7K, 20K, I could lose it all. Let me tell you something, bro. This is how my wife views me. I could lose it all. I could lose everything. Hundreds of thousands of dollars. I could lose everything in front of you. The house, the cars, a limb, my member. My wife's still with me. That's how real it is. I know it. I know who's got my back. I'm at around 13K now. Yeah, don't worry about it, man. S&P 500 down 25%, NASDAQ 35%. Any of y'all portfolio is better than that? Yes, without a doubt, Wilbur. I'm chilling at a 28.47 average. High Riders killing it, bro. Gotcha. You scared me at the start. Oh, there you go. You guys are playing a game. You guys are talking about bullshit, man. Yo, this channel only about AMC or what? David, don't start with me, David. I swear to God, dude. I will break it. Not having a silver razor, not having a shaving razor. Let's talk about that. Oh, man. You're back again. Yeah, David's cool. Yeah, I've been red this whole year, but overall, I'm still green. Yep. What's up, Chad? How we doing, man? Anyone in the chat down, listen to me. I don't know what you guys want to talk about personal shit. It's fine. We own the float. AMCers are gone. Yeah, where have they all gone? Yo, I don't know. About not having a razor. I was lazy one day. I didn't shave, and then I just kept growing. And apparently, check this shit out. Through the grapevine. Now, you know I banned my brother. He's not allowed to talk to me. I blocked him on my phone. I don't talk to him. I have him blocked on all social media. I don't know what he looks like. But somebody came up to me like, yo, Marantz, you want to know something? I was like, what's that? They're like, did you know your brother's growing a goatee? Come on, really? This guy's growing out his facial hair now? So he's copying me again? I can't tell you any more than that. But apparently he hasn't looked at my channel either, somebody said, and that he's growing it out. He was just as shocked as I was. But we're twins. What do you expect? It's an intuition, I guess. I don't know. The movement failed. Oh man, yeah. How about log the float? Did that movement fail? Bro, I'd be laughing, bro. I'd be laughing. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna be here all night because I can't catch up in this chat. I gotta go faster, and I will. This chat is ridiculous right now. This is why I know those other dudes with like 1,000, 2,000 people. I'm like, yeah, right. Their chat is nothing. This chat's crazy. I don't know what to do. Plus, you have Adam on your team. He is such a disappointment, without a doubt. Bro, how the hell am I going to be catching up to you guys? 4,000 shares of AMC. That's all I saw right now. Oh, my God. Guys, I'm behind in the chat really good. Oh, Jesus. Not again. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I know where I'm at now. All right. Getting there. GG. GG carpet? Who the hell is a carpet muncher? What? Oh, Cap. My bad. All right, then we're good. You didn't save me. The insider's selling a year ago in the final straw that broke the camel's back, but I did see you back then. You would have saved me too. Yeah, if you would have seen me. Yeah, no problem. AMCers got owned by Adam Aaron. With that, they got pwned. Yeah, 4,000 shares of AMC. Obi, Ramen, don't be saying that shit out loud, bro. That's terrible. Well, you seem to keep coming back and asking consistently why Marantz talks about AMC. No, he's fine. David was messing around. He wasn't serious like that. Thank you for answering my question and real talk. I'm starting to have a paradigm shift from the AMC Kool-Aid just subbed. Well, thank you, Unplugged. I appreciate that, man. It's one at a time, man, brick by brick, and I will gladly talk to you. You do not have to pay. None of that shit. We don't do super chats here. We don't do merch. There are no affiliates. There's nothing. We're not charging you for Discord. Discord is completely free. Kyoto, can you pin the Discord to the chat, or can you put it in the chat so I can pin it? Things like that, guys. We're literally here all the time. We talk GameStop every day. Yes, we talk about AMC. Yes, we talk about other things. We're watching AMC scramble and fall to the floor. It is a nightmare. I don't have GameStop on the screen right now because I don't want to. I don't have to. We're just going to talk and we'll call it a day. Hopefully we can save some people. I remember the summer advice when AMC split into Ape. Your advice target was $8. Look now, AMC is crashing. Jesus. Mr. Y, yes. I told everyone 2 months ago, get the hell out of there. It's going to get crazy. It's going to get wild. And somebody said, you can't do that, Marantz. You don't know. I said, no, I do know. I know what I just read. I've been here for a while, and you would know why he keeps talking about it. There we go. I'm OG GME, but held. Past tense AMC Marantz respect. Thank you. 4,000 worthless shares, without a doubt. I can only recommend to watch the RSI. Well, there you go. It's all he talks about these days in the anti-AMC channel now, not a pro-GME channel. Oh, David, so you weren't messing around. You were trying to be serious. I come here to hear about how GME leave when it's about AMC. Well, okay, then, David, guess what? David, then I won't even give you benefit of the doubt. Have a good day. Okay. We're talking about the relevant news that just came out today for AMC, as in they secured $400 million more on senior debt. So, yeah, that's what we're talking about. But if you want to talk about something else, I encourage you, David, to go watch other GME channels. Quick, go. They're not there, but it's cool. I literally found you right before I thought about investing in AMC. People don't understand that the stream stands on its own, but the Discord has been awesome. Well, thank you, Derek Howard, and thank you for the support. All good. I got money to blow. Said no one ever. Said no one ever. What's your cost average, Obi? I'll play your game. Money to blow. In a recession with inflation all in you. Yeah. How many AMC shares do you own? Yeah. Learning curve. Don't trust anyone. Obi, Ramen, I wouldn't say don't trust anyone. I trust everyone in here. AMC and GME is all we have heard for 2 years now. Marantz, keep going. Thank you, Raider Bro. I trust. I plan to. Thank you. My question now, if AMC goes to bankruptcy and the villains are going to win this battle, give it to them some ammo to short our favorite stock? No, so they're on their own merit. They don't. It's not going to be that way. Like if you look at GameStop today at $26, it's running. AMC's not, right? GameStop is staying afloat. AMC is not. It's getting buried, and it should. I think that they have disconnected further and further and further ever since Ape did. But as far as ammo fighting GameStop, no, they already lost on GameStop, man. Mr. Y, they are so far under on GameStop, it's not even funny at this point. It's all a matter of what are you going to do? You're going to just let the fundamentals of the company drag you through it. We're going to churn them, bro. It's going to be great. Kyoto, 0. I sold about 400 between 50 and 70 during the run-up. If you were following Marantz for a while and you actually hold lots of GME, you wouldn't question why we keep talking about AMC. AMC is a damn hedge against GME. Correct. Invest in your learning and you don't have to trust. You'll just know. You don't have to trust. Correct. AMC apes finally complaining about $15 bags of popcorn. Yeah, finally. Sold all my AMC and ape. Sick of Adam Aaron. Too bad I didn't do it earlier. Johos S, you have been here before. If you would have listened, yes, I agree. But hey, let bygones be bygones. I'm happy you're here, and I'm happy you did the right thing. To whoever beat me on gods, there you go, GG. Oh, Rick James, somebody beat you, bro? I don't even know. With your pro member number for the code, emailing wasn't getting a reply. Okay, GameStop, DM GameStop help. I'll do that for you for the code. Top Gun, first showing, were $28 a ticket. Gross. Congrats, at least you didn't go down with the AMC Titanic. Punching you in the nuts. That's what's happening, bro. I'm trying to tell you, Funny Spider, but I'm happy you're here. I cringe at the prospect of those who bought in the 40s. Man, how about the 50s? Just when you think you found all the ways GME's been hedged, then you find a new one. Swap fractional shares, options, ETFs, AMC, etc., etc., etc. Yeah, don't worry about it, though. Just keep doing what you do. And used all that money to double on a good company called GameStop. Good job, brother. AMC is going to 20 in the future. Just wait. Well, if that's your Mo ask, OB, you just wait. And if it is going to 20 in the future, I hope you're buying right now at $5.69. I really hope you are. Just bought AMC at 9, sold at 16, put it all into GameStop. Kyle Owen, you might be a genius. I'm stuck in AMC. I wish I had GME. Oh, I know. We know. All you guys didn't listen. Marantz said that it could possibly pop back up to 20, but I'm thinking it won't even reach 20 again. Yeah, it's hard for me to see 20, but I just called it MOAS at that point. Maybe there's no future with AMC, so it's a big risk. It's beyond 20 again after 1 to 20 reverse split. TV, that's funny, man. Ammo got me this time. Nice cards, bro. Yeah, Ammo's real right now, bro. He's doing it. Imagine all the AMC guys funneled into costs instead from the beginning. Yep. Plus, you have Adam on your team. He's such a disappointment. I didn't think AMC would drop this far, this fast. I did. Kyoto, what the hell? You didn't think like me? Headed to DC, but see you all tomorrow. Be safe out there. I'll see you around, Ravens. You know what's up. Which YouTuber did you first start watching, Obi? That's what they want to know. Froggy Styles, you are here. Hey, man, I'm an old school gamer, too. I played WoW that you talked about. Great game. Froggy, you're here. Froggy Styles is here. Hey, Froggy, I'm trying to get you on the show. So you figure out your stuff. Hopefully you see this message. Hopefully you're still here. I'm trying to get you on the show. I want to interview you. I want to talk to you, man. You're a Cowboy fan. I can find common ground with that. But I want to talk to you about your ride right now because this is painful. So I'm thinking about maybe a run back to 12 or 13. Sure. I watched that guy, Lou. Oh, my God. That's terrible, bro. How could you ever? We're talking about an overall 100% run now. It looks like it'll run back to 11 or 12. He's like, yo, just hold AMC. That's still terrible, bro. Popping in here to say hello. Salute to Marantz and everyone in here. God bless you. Thank you so much. I've never been more awake. I went 100% GME when Trey sold. Good thing he saved me. There you go. Froggy Style. Seriously, bro. Is that really you? I think it is him. Yes, it is him because he DM'd me earlier. I really hope everyone is loading up on the portfolio as many shares as they can and favorite companies because we're about to go into 2-month rally. Yes, we are. I feel that's going to happen too. Adam Aaron, that fraud. Sure. Yes, this is the real. Exactly. I'm not happy with Adam Aaron's silence and the price drop. I know you're not, and I want to talk to you. Froggy, stop, dude. You knew what AMC was. Hey, Kyoto, stop. I'm ready. Marantz has mangina. You got me there, Ape Frapper Pro. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got me there. I have a mangina. Oh, my God. My 5 kids are so jealous. Wilbur, what do you go to do to spark the rally? Kyoto, I got it. Cowboys 4-1. Sandskin, yes. We'll see about this. GameStop then. Good earnings lately. Oh, my God. See you on top of the moon on the AMC rocket. Marcus, you don't understand what GameStop is. You don't understand GameStop, so it's okay, man. Someone play me on Gods Unchained. If you type in Marantz and Gods Unchained, you will play someone from the channel right now. I was floor trading them from 82 in 2020. I've seen it all. When it comes to story stocks, especially during the internet heyday, I can't tell you how many people lost it all. Millions. AMC has taken many. Yep. Stop trying to pivot to this new I'm mad at Adam Aaron narrative. $9 average. Kyoto. Yes. Spencer, Tara, you're all the rest of the crew all of a sudden are saying the same thing we've been saying for the past 18 months. Well, that's true. Bro, I would never thought I'd miss Teddy Mittens. There we go. I'm personally super hijacked on Adam Aaron. He's my main indicator. Oh my God. AMC needs to survive Adam Aaron to squeeze. I don't care if Adam can get it done. My faith in Adam is fading fast. Froggy, you're correct and wrong. They can't survive Adam Aaron, and they're not meant to survive Adam Aaron. Stop, dude. You never believed in AMC. Yep, I believe that too. To what's up with the AVCT? I don't know. I don't care. Used it for clicks and to build a fake bot following. Sure. I called Adam Aaron out a year ago. Check out the Adam Aaron Truth Bombs on YouTube. I had to vet him, and he was questionable. Okay, Froggy, but you're still pushing AMC. That's the whole point. You still pump it. That's why I said you knew what AMC really was, without a doubt. How is AMC ever going to squeeze when they diluted their float 10 times from 2020? And now Ape. What drugs are AMC holders smoking these days to think that it'll still squeeze? It squeezes on the table still. Can you buy Ape on Coinbase because Fidelity won't allow it? Oh man, I was thinking of selling all my AMC at a loss, getting into GameStop. Well, there you go. You're doing a good. Now you're thinking, OB. What up? Late, but 2 times the speed, and I'll catch up. There you go. You don't think we know what you're doing? Marantz is speaking truths. This is why I listen. Hot. Best way I sweep Ape into your wallet. There we go. GameStop to the AMC ratio pre-split at 14-16 started this year at 545. My goodness gracious. What about Gary's interview? Can't believe he is the head of the SEC. I didn't watch it. Rantz, how does your boss like his coffee? My boss like his coffee. Wolverine, you're back again. That's 2 days in a row. My boss like his coffee. I don't know. I don't get my boss coffee. That's not how it works. GTFO with your I'm innocent. I'm questioning the Adam Aaron bullshit. You, Tara, and Spencer all of a sudden start to switch the narrative as soon as Marantz exposes Spencer fraud. I never liked the dilution that was done. It took money away from the shareholders. Hey, Froggy, you know what, Froggy? I'll take you onto this show. Okay? I'll put you here in front of everybody. I'm not playing anywhere. Just being honest. I'm a man and my word, and I speak truth. Okay. You're a man of your word and you speak truth. All right, Froggy, here we go. And I hope you're still here. I'm going to skip up into the chat, guys, because Froggy's here. Hey, Froggy, you're still here, bro? I hope you're still here. Let me know. Came to give you a like. I appreciate that off the beaten path. Now, I want to know if Froggy's still here. Let me know if he's still here. If he's not here, I doubt he's still here. If you want me to go away, that's fine. Later, guys. Have a good day. Oh, now he ran away. Oh, my God. Since you guys told him to run away. I don't care. Keep vetting our YouTubers. Tony De Niro's real name isn't De Niro. He's a bad actor. I've been trying to call them out for months for frauds. Yeah, I already did. I already called him out. He's fake as fuck. If you guys don't know, I'll do a whole video on that guy. I'd love to. He's not here. I destroyed him. Okay, I figured you did. I knew you were gonna do it. I didn't have a problem with it. I don't have a problem with it. But I want to text him real quick to tell him to get back here because I'm gonna call him. Here's my plan. Okay. Here's my plan, and I'm gonna tell him right now. Oh, there it is. Are you off yet? Okay, so I have his number. Now, here's the problem with having somebody's phone number, okay? I don't trust AMC YouTubers. AMC YouTubers have my phone number. Mastalorian has my number. I give Froggy my number, then what happens? Right? Like, any of you guys understand where I'm coming from on this? Okay. All right. So he wants to come on the show. He gave me his cell phone number. He gave me everything. He's ready to talk. That's Froggy Stocks. I'm going to say something to him right now because I'm not going to call him. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to keep his number safe. I'm not disrespectful like that. But I'm going to do this. Here's how this works, guys. Yeah, I know. I'm not stupid, Johnny. I've been doing this a long time. Get a second prepaid phone for YouTube. There you go. Hey, well, all right, here we go. Froggy, this is me to you, okay? You can clip this part. Everyone can clip it. I don't care. This is where I kill the FUD. This is where I've been. the whole time I've ever been on YouTube. A lot of people secretly watch the show and or agree with whatever the hell I'm saying. I know this. I get DMs all the time. I get people, man, I wish I could go in there and speak the way you do or whatever. All these liars, they lied to me. However many people there are. This is how I know I have a real following, right? And then there's bots. But beyond that, Froggy, you, and I don't want to call you Froggy. I'm going to call you Jeremy. I want to call you by your name because you're a grown man and I don't like calling you Froggy. I think it's bullshit. You agree that Adam Aaron is a snake and he's a bad actor, he's a bad character, just like all the random YouTubers out here pushing out this narrative, like Tony D's Nuts De Niro, who's using a fake name. Like, these guys are not real. We get that part. But here's the crazy part. Or maybe there's a real name. I don't know. I don't want to assume. Tony, is your real name Deep Throat? I got to know. But anyway, back to it. Jeremy, I'm going to tell you something, dude. Okay? I will not have you on my show. And I will not talk to you about market manipulation and AMC until I see you walk into one of those spaces calls with your balls on your chest and you tell Tara Bull and you tell Spencer and you tell Al from Boston and you tell Jackson Hunter and you tell anyone else in those damn spaces calls that they're all liars, that they're all grifting, and that they're fake. Because I've done it. I've gone in full throttle. Walked into the lion's den with all of them there, asked to speak. I got pulled up and I told them all to their face. And I'll do it again and again and again. And until you do it one time, I don't believe that you believe that this is a manipulation of the people. This stock, AMC, is a manipulation of retail. And it has been. The fact that you've been promoting it and pushing it, knowing that Adam Aaron is the bad actor, and or this is what we have to do because we're so deep. Maybe you're too deep to actually say the truth. But fuck the money, fuck the views, fuck the subscriptions. I don't give a shit about any of it. I promise you. I'm telling you right now. Step up, and then I'll look at you and be like, you know what? This is a real one. This is a guy who really wants truth, who really wants to know what the hell's going on. But guess what? It's your investment that you're losing, not me. We're not the same. I wish you the best of luck, but until I see you do it, until I see you walk into a Spaces call and call them out and or make a video and call them out, my door's not open, bro. But I have your number. If I ever want to call you, we could talk that out. And that's that. Yeah. Anyway. How long do you think that's going to be? How long do you think it's going to be before these guys get called out? I think I'm going to go with next to never. I'll go back to reading the chat. I had skipped all the way up just because. The Discord's going to get pinned to the top of the chat right now, guys. It's pinned. Thank you, Daddy. I don't know who the hell you're calling Daddy, bro, but I don't go by that. I don't like men to call me Daddy. It doesn't work that way. We know you're red. Everyone's red. What are you talking about? No YouTuber has admitted that they were wrong about AMC. Yep. I ain't grifting. I don't need money. I knew you guys would attack me, but I came to speak the truth. That's cool. You're more than welcome to speak your truth. Marantz, my house was built in the 1970s. Still have a room with popcorn ceiling. Drives me nuts. I've been pulling it off and removing it. Just wet it. Take a water bottle, spray it, and then just shave it. Now you do it from a ladder, and don't beat yourself up. Make sure you put some on the ground to pick it all up. I think you guys were right on Trey, but believe it or not, but Spence and Tara do actually care about the play. They put a lot of work to help. It's not fair to bash them. Give them time. Give me time. What? What? I didn't even read that part. Holy shit. I'm glad I did. Yeah. Got to get me some card NFTs. I'll get in slaughter. Yeah. Yes, we know. Nasty. Bought more GME today. Good job, Obama. You know, these guys, these AMC YouTubers. Why didn't they take away the buy button in May and June run up? Yeah, because they needed to run. It was a pumping up then. Oh, is this Bait? Is this somebody different? Oh, Bait. Christopher Bait. Are you somebody new that I'm supposed to be paying attention to? Hey, Christopher, let me see what you're saying. Hold on, I want to read this. Christopher Bait says, range of $2 to $7 for 12 months, possibly the next leg for the squeeze. Christopher Bait, shut up. This guy, everything is speculation. There's nothing speculative here. It literally is by the book. I don't need to hear any earnings call. I don't need to hear you say there's a squeeze from 2 to 7. Hold it for 12 months. 12 months? What kind of short squeeze, Mo asked? 12 months at $2 and $7? How? You already own the float. You own it all. 2 and 7? What a huge ass window, by the way. Hey, I'm just telling you. Billions of dollars is that window. Who's selling from $11? Who's selling who bought in at $8? Everybody. I beat Rule Breaker, bro. Good luck. I beat him. He just got into the Froggy stuff, and probably I'm saying everything he wanted to say to him. I don't want to go too far on him. Exactly. What speculation? 18 months on AMC till all-time highs are hit again. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. 18 months until all-time highs are hit again. Dude, the year is 2020. You mean to tell me I got to go to 2024 and all-time highs are going to get hit? Why? Because it's going to be hedging GameStop and GameStop's going to be the S&P 500? Now you're talking. But that's speculative, right? What you're saying. AMC to the tomb. They got to spam your... Nah, I'm going to put a block on it. I'm actually going to call him in 30 minutes, guys. Coupon is in queue. Come get some. Ooh, type in Marantz. This guy's saying another squeeze will not happen. Nobody knows, but everything points to it. What do you mean nobody knows? I literally had called out this drop on Ape. Where were you? Let me ask you something, Christopher Bait. How much AMC do you own? And at what price? And why didn't you sell before the split? When I told everybody, speculative. You're a goddamn idiot. Squeezes just don't happen. No, they don't. What points to it? Yeah. Obviously, you don't have... Obviously, they do, as they have in May and June of 2021. Oh, my bad. That was a pump and a very long dump. It was not a squeeze. AMC had a squeeze in May. You can't discount it. That could happen again. It can't happen. What are you talking about? This guy serious? Can you lay down any facts and numbers, not just thoughts and thoughtless opinions? Yeah. Yes, we can discount it, but I don't understand. What? Nobody knows, but something comparable could occur again. It could occur. You know what's crazy, bro? That's speculative. What the hell? This is crazy. Can back up the claims with numbers. What numbers? Did I miss something here? I bought GME at 12 in 2022. Okay, Christian. That was random. Why during this run-up, when AMC halted and they didn't halt GameStop, suddenly GameStop took off and went ballistic? Christopher, we don't invest in fantasy land plays. We actually do our research. Bro, what's up? GG, respect, chatting. That's fine. The float's probably owned 20 times over. How? How is that even? I don't understand. I don't understand. The price is $5. The volume's nothing. Volume today, just so you know, at $5, mister, I'm going to buy it all. 20 million shares. 4% of the float. How? What are you talking about? You're stupid. 20 times over. These guys think there's 10 billion shares out there? 10 billion shares? So stupid. Well, then guess what there are? There's 10 billion broke shareholders. Is Ape going to keep going down? Without a doubt. That's my take on it. 20 times over, just stop. Exactly. Ape is disintegrating. I believe that's what you wanted to say. And I think that's what you spelled. Right in front of everybody. The markets will bounce back. Just as they did after '08. What is this? I sold nothing. You sold nothing. That's how stupid you are. Great, we don't care. Yeah, you sold nothing. Hey, somebody remind me, okay? Somebody remind me when AMC is back to $20. That's what I want, bro. I used to follow GME YouTubers until they started to promote AMC. Oh, yeah, I heard that, bro. Marantz beat everyone. Once. Once being the key word. Hey, Brett, come try me. I'll do it again. What GME YouTubers? Tell me. There's only two, Marantz and Cosmic. Course started with GME. No, he didn't. What is this shit? Stop. How can it not happen? How can it not happen? It's not happening now, Christopher. AMC just borrowed $400 million more to add to their debt, to pay off their other debt. Do you know what that means? At 14%. They increased their debt even more so, with no path to profitability. How can it happen? Open your fucking eyes. Seen someone buying in the market over the past 4 months. That live stream, I mean, sure. We did a share count, Christopher. Yep. Broken clock is correct twice a day. There you go. Andrew Mo Money was one earlier. There you go. Andrew No Money. Now some huge selling. We did a share count. You don't own the float 20 times. Nope. Another occurrence of a squeeze could happen. What? In 2020, not 2022. Okay, Christian, nobody said. I was in the squeeze crash out at 280. Okay. Some data just got released. Green Capital, yeah, we already talked about that. I was in the short squeeze chase channel on a 280. There we go. Could happen, yeah. Let's all put money into the company going bankrupt. That might have something happen. Yeah, it's going to happen. Yeah, hey, fundamentals don't matter. What are you talking about? Are you kidding? We're not here for fundamentals. No. We're here for a squeeze, bro. We're here for a squeeze. What are you talking about? We're not here for fundamentals. No way. Dude, do you understand what a shield channel this is? Yeah, I do. I do understand. I do understand that it's not going to be the opium channel that you want it to be. It's not going to be the jazz channel, the hype channel. It's not going to be any of that for you. It's going to be the reality, the truth, and I've been correct 100%. 100% on AMC. I'm still correct right now. Even at $5, it's going to go lower. And your range for the next year and a half at 2 to 7 gets you nothing. They're going to file for bankruptcy. 3 years, max. File for bankruptcy. Adam Aaron will be gone. They're going to sell to some Chinese company. Might even sell to private equity. What could you do then? I'm telling you, the release of Minion 7, the retirement of the GRU in 2024 will cause an AMC squeeze. Heard it here first. Trust me, bro. Real source. I got that. Where are you going with this? I don't know where you're going with this. You just came out of nowhere. I bought in 2020. Like nobody asked. We've been saying the same thing for over 18 months. Marantz predicted this since before May and June run-up. I did. Thank you. Netflix, Disney Plus, HBO, new cinema for home. Correct, Chris. You're kidding, man. Good job, Chris. Not going to happen. John David? Yep. Dude, most of the people here have years of experience. Bait. Kyoto has been in the market since the 90s. I've been trading 7 years and still going strong. Only 1 shilling is you. Was typing with one hand, holding my phone. No problem, bro. Robbing Peter to pay Paul. Exactly, guys. It's a 20-year-old with a credit card. Maxed out. Getting the next one. AMC was hanging around $10 from 2014 to 2018. $20. Hey, Christopher Bate, if you don't understand market caps, please do not type in this chat. Don't come here and tell me the stock price from 2014 to 2018 on a market cap of $10 a share when the float was only 80 million shares, 90 million shares. Don't do that, dude. You sound like a fucking moron. Today's number would be $2 at that price. You don't get what the market cap is. Additionally, you don't understand inflation for the dollar itself. This is why this market is going to have a double-digit loss this year when they factored in a double-digit increase. Therefore, having a double-digit loss and GameStop is still flat, is still doing strong, is still holding $26. It's a fucking gem. AMC dying to the damn ground? Yes, it's supposed to. It's worth nothing. But because you think it's going to do something it's not going to do, you're giving me price points from 8 years ago? 8 years ago, before Adam Aaron was ever there. 8 years ago, before they ever did a deal with Odin Movie Theaters, with Carmike Movie Theaters, before they ever spent $2.5 billion on dead movie theaters and renovations. Before 2018, when they already had $4.5 billion in corporate debt. Before 2019, when they equaled the same amount with the biggest movies of your lifetime. Then pandemic hit. Then bonuses hit. Then insiders sold. Then everyone came in from the fucking YouTube channel. Hey, hi. And now you're here and you think you know something that somebody else doesn't know. Because you didn't sell on the run-up. You're a complete fucking moron. Okay? I don't mind calling people that, oh, Marantz, you can't talk this way. This is why people don't watch your channel, Marantz. This is why they don't want to subscribe, because you're not nice and you make fun of people and you talk bad about people. You can't demean people and then expect them to follow you and support. I don't give a shit. You're going to find out the hard way. Christopher Bate, you need some tough love? Only two types in this world. Easy and tough. One you paid for, and one you just get. You're a scrub. You don't understand actual market caps and floats. Oh, let me guess. It's cheaper. That's why I should buy in at $2. Go buy HYMC. Let me know how that float works out for you. Go buy some ape, by the way. It's only $1.50. $1.50, bro. I'd rather buy a goddamn bottle of Dr. Pepper than ape. At least I can drink and piss that out. You're going to shit out your AMC shares. Explain to your mom. Explain to your mom why you're moving back in, bro. I can't stand it when people don't know what the fuck they're talking about. I don't care about the company. There we go. You don't care about your money either. There's you guys have something in common. I'm in it for the money. If anger comes into it, so be it. What? That's just stupid. Hey, Christopher Bate, you can't be serious, man. I don't even know what kind of troll you are. Are you provoking me? No, you're not. You're just an ignorant kid. I'm in it for the money. Just hopped in. We'll rewind. No problem, Green Kite Capital. AMC is trash. Send a message to peace on earth for all from me. Okay, because I can. Bate, you don't care about the company that you invested in. There's no money in AMC. No money at all. It's done. Marantz's wife made the t-shirt for him. Oh, thank you. Bates, you're not making sense. There you go. Look for it. Where did you buy your t-shirt? Christian, my wife made this shirt. She's a huge supporter of GameStop with me. It says Marantz Rantz on YouTube on the back. It's just a shirt I wear every now and then. But yeah, I don't sell merch. Sorry, brother. And I never will. Word on the street is Matthew Kors is the one that gave Roaring Kitty his TA. I'm joking, in case anyone comes at me. Razor G, you don't ever have to say you're joking, bro. We get it. You're a funny guy. Bate was emotionally... I will not say that. No, I will not say that. Is also a good GameStop YouTuber. Still Peach and Tozer, please don't use those words around here. A good... I mean, if I want to take some sleeping pills, I'm going to go ahead and watch Richard. I really am. Guys. Yeah. Hi, guys. Oh, you got the mic way down here. You got the camera way up here. So you can see up my nostril. Can you see up my nose real quick? My nose hairs? Come on, bro. I support all GameStop guys. Watch him. He got some good info, I guess. But yeah, we're different. We're live. We kill it. Do everything you want to do. More people investing. Yeah, there you go. Robinhood numbers are decreasing. Oh, thanks for the statement there, Captain Obvious. Hey, did you just not listen to Marantz what it said just about the market cap? No, he didn't. AMC 1-0 soon. And when I mean soon, you know what I mean by that. Marantz knows about the AMC fundamentals more than any of the AMC YouTuber clowns. Exactly. The numbers invested in AMC are increasing and will squeeze. Oh, you're entitled to your opinion. This isn't a dictatorship, or is it? No, it's not a dictatorship. But let me ask you something, Christopher Bate. What's 1 + 1? I know. Think it through. Do you need your toes? Do you need your fingers? Do you need a pencil? You need a calculator. What's 1 plus 1? It's 2. And it's always going to be 2 because that's what math is. Math is correct in every language. AMC, debt to income ratio, profits and losses, P&L, balance sheet. I'll let you do the math. So the AMC investors is increasing, as you called it. It is not increasing, by the way. It's not even possible because let's go look at APE for a second. I want to see. Let me see. Is this still holding the price hostage? Yeah, APE at 158 today. Good job. 19 million shares traded back and forth. That's 4% of the float. So no, I wouldn't say that more people are coming into it. AMC, same thing at 24 million shares. That's 5% of the float has traded back and forth today. And it is down 5% essentially. It's having a hell of a bounce right now at 584. Ooh, what a buy. Go grab it. Hey, let me ask you something. Can you go buy more? Do you have more money? I wonder, Christian. The numbers investing in AMC are not increasing, by the way. That's why all of the AMC YouTubers quit. That's why all of the AMC grifters are teaming up and trying to get together and battle back. And it's not going to happen. They have a failed investment. They were duped. They were played. And their last leg is going to be litigation. They're going to try to sue Adam Aaron. And Adam Aaron's going to have this whole background of, I posted it. I told them there was no dilution. I even put it on Twitter for them. I let them know. They didn't want to hear. When I released APE, I put out a presser. I let them know exactly what it was going to do. I put out a 25 questionnaire, Q&As, what they could expect to happen. I told them everything I could. I walked them through the whole thing, but I covered my ass. That's exactly what he did. And you guys don't know any better. APE delisting soon, should be soon. I don't know if that's possible, but I hear you. That board cleared helped a lot. Yeah, they did. Was getting worried the entire game. Oh, there you guys go. You guys playing the game still. Bait is right where, yeah. Bait is right. We are not selling, just buying more AMC. Oh, Mohammed, you got me all confused, Mohammed. Is this your burner count here, Bait? My God, guys. You don't think anyone's selling? We have a bunch of idiots buying, so it'll squeeze. Yeah, man. I'll check those numbers again. You've got jokes. Oh, you've got folks jumping ship. Yeah, I know that. Good, you guys keep buying AMC. Have fun. Yeah, man, good luck. Good luck. You're going to need it. Hey, man, can I ask you guys something? Can you guys just super chat me? Like all the AMC crowd. I just want to make sure you guys super chat me. Let's start with Masturbator first. Christopher Bait, can you please just send me a super chat? Let me know you're a real person. You're not a bot, bro. Because I know that bots can't send super chats, bro. So prove to me. Come on, man. Send me a super chat. Come on, man. I'm a grifter. I need to make money. I can't do this. I don't even know how to live stream all day. No way, man. I don't want a job. I just want to be here with you. Come on, grifters. Come on, man. I'm not those guys. I'm a real guy. I'm a real boy. But are you? Punks. Good, you guys keep buying AMC. I hope you guys lose it all, I guess. Chris Bate does not understand basic investment strategies and terminologies. Nope. Yeah, keep throwing away your money on AMC. Didn't listen to anything Marantz just said. Nah. Dinner time. Bye, folks. All right, Still Peach. I'll see you, man. At least Zom is up 2%. Professor, I'll fight you right now, Professor. Andrew, no money. So broke now. I think he ate his dog. That's embarrassing, Brandon. Do not do that. Do not do that. We are not going to do that here. Oh, Lord, Muhammad. Here we go again. Brandon. Does no money still stream? No. Maybe Froggy should have stuck with Zom. Well, there's two different Froggies here. Froggy Styles and Froggy Stocks. Apparently, they like frogs. So, would this be a good time to ask you for your thoughts on Bed Bath & Beyond? You could. I think it's a good buy. I think it's a good buy under $5. I think it can run up to 10. That's just me. I don't think Bed Bath & Beyond's that bad. I think it's undervalued. I think it's a great value stock. If you were in it for the money, then you wouldn't be buying AMC. Correct. Thank you, Brett. Bait as in bait. Nah, no money is gone. There you go. It's been gone. We will see what happens. Is that what we're going to do now, Mohammed? We will see what happens. I mean, I see that every day. Every day I get that. Every day is, we'll see. Well, we'll see. And I tell you what's happening. I tell you it's going to sell off into the night. No. You're not allowed to tell the AMC guys what's going to happen. No. Okay. I knew the shills would come today. XBit, I don't mind, man. Seems most companies in the S&P 500 are trash right now. Why would you say that, Christopher Bate? Why are most companies in the S&P 500 trash right now? There's only one that you're invested in. That's the one you should be worried about. Good. A room full of shills. Where? Where are there shills? There's just you, bro. One dude. Bay, oh my effing God. Stock price does not determine the company is good or bad. Thank you. We are AMC shills, without a doubt. Christopher Bate, then why are you here? Your buzzwords and the cult like doesn't move the stock. Nope. Bates, have you ever made a profit on any stock? It's like how the company is run in leadership. Bate is like this. There's no way Tesla's $200 right now. Tesla's 200? I just saw it 1,200 this year. No way. AMD's down. I can't believe this. Amazon, no way it's $100. Are you serious? How? You cannot tell me why Meta is trading at a low rate right now. All these damn stocks. What happened to them? Why are they trading so low? You know Apple's not the best stock. You know it's not. It's AutoZone and Chipotle. It's not Apple. Apple's only $100, bro. I won't buy that. It's trash. This idiot. This guy bought Netflix. Tell me you bought Netflix at 700 without telling me you bought Netflix at 700. There we go. It's how the company is run and the leadership. You don't know what the shill is. They don't even know what the word shill means, bro. They don't even know what the hell that means. It's just stupid. Someone finally telling the truth. Christian, I've been telling the truth for a long time. We hate the stock. Shilling hard or hardly shilling. There we go. You're the shill. 2 plus 2 does not equal 5. Ape. What the hell did Ape say? Why'd you delete that? That's actually a good one. GameStop NFT marketplace was speculative, but here we are. There you go. I'd like to think I'm a good man. I do feel that all AMC shareholders who were duped, and I wish them prosperity in the future. Marantz, the AMC users or the AMCers just in denial. If they have not understood this yet, they never will. Appreciate your hard work, bro. Thank you so much, man. AMC, we hate the stock. Well, sure. So what's your price prediction for GameStop? When do you see it? When do you see it from 5 years? In 5 years' time. Christian, good question. I'm gonna say anything over $125 to $200 a share in 5 years from now. That's what I see. So we'll see how it goes out. I think we have a really good price right now. We're doing okay. I understand delusion and math. I am not in AMC anymore. Well, good job. Kyle, the GameStop NFT wallet is still in beta. It's not out yet. There you go. Sold all my AMC at a loss before Ape. Bought GME in the 25, sitting on 505. Now, regrets. No regrets. That's what you meant to say, Adrian. I get it now. Ape going under $1 fast. It's working on it, Justin. It will get there. Zom is down 60% year over year, and AMC is down 75%. Froggy should have stuck with Zom. Well, he can't hit anything, bro. He can't hit anything. Smart, you sold before Ape. Yeah, I was here. I made most of my money with GME. Where would you recommend to put it now? Christian, I don't give out financial advice, so I wish you the best of luck wherever you want to put it. And we just deleted somebody's super chat. That's hilarious, bro. Most of AMC people I met would rather go $0 than pull out and admit wrong. Can't afford GME. Yeah, Denzel Strife. The problem is it's going to be like the homeless people I tell you guys about. People who made decisions in life that refused to admit they were wrong, didn't want to apologize for whatever situation they were stuck in, and then in turn, their ego rode them to the ground. That's what's happening with AMC right now. The ego is going to cost them everything. Yeah, I can't give you advice. No, I don't plan to. I buy GameStop. That's all I buy. Marantz, the video where you said Ape shares were just being traded between shareholders was bullseye. Yeah, it's just being traded back and forth between them. They don't understand it, though. They think it's like new people are holding or whatever it may be. They're all stupid. You're better off buying Bed Bath & Beyond than AMC. Well, yeah. AMC is strong. Oh, here we go, tech we love. You can support GameStop, AMC at the same time. Drama is not productive. I'm not trying to be productive. I'm trying to tell you they just borrowed $400 million additional debt at 14%. You don't understand business. But hey, it's no big deal. 400 million, we got that right here. AMC is strong as Chinese made steel. Oh, that's funny, bro. The shares exist. They have value. Therefore, a squeeze could happen if the company exists. No, Christopher, the squeeze can't happen. You saw that happen in June and July of last year, of June, I should say. When it happened in June of last year, they did not take away the buy button. They let it run, and that's as high as it was ever going to go. And that's it. It's not going anymore. Never mind, Christian. I don't believe you. I'll invest $5 in AMC for you. Okay, Christian Bait. If you want to lose $5, it's on you. You know, I'm sure plenty of guys have thrown money at strippers in their day. It doesn't do anything for me, but it does a lot for you, apparently. I also don't believe. What do you think? Blah, blah, blah. I can't unsee the I can't see the super chat Abe sent for $2. But you know that if you send a super chat, you get a timeout. It's that simple. The real DMT, what's good? How you doing, bro? Abe, what the F, dude? You know our super chat rule. Yes, you do. I like what BlackBerry is doing. I don't know anything about the debt and fundamentals. Oh my God, don't touch it. What happened to Stick to Stocks channel? Stick to Stocks, I don't know who that is. I think he bailed out when he started getting feedback from commenters when he was predicting AMC was going to go squeeze on a specific date and time. John David, there's a whole bunch of these guys that used to be around. They're not anymore, and they don't put up videos anymore. But it's okay. I'll still be here slamming the table with their face. You get timed out for super chatting. Yep, you know that. AMC was never the squeeze. It was a hedgie. You may get $100 plus from one share I'm buying for you. Huh? Christopher Bait, you can't even make it to $10 right now. You want to get 100? How about, hey, Bait, let me tell you something. You think you're ever going to make 20 again? I don't think so. I think BlackRock sold for that reason. What's up, Tony? How you doing, man? Welcome back. I'm also 98% DRS. Well, that's how we do. The Real DMT's in the house, guys. Welcome back to the Real DMT. And because he's here, you know what we're going to do. Real DMT's here. We got to show the man some love. He made a track. If you don't like the track, if you want to know where to get it, it's right now. It's on this video right now. That's where it's at. Let's get it. Let's go. Real DMT. Hey, welcome to Marantz Rantz.
Welcome to Marantz Rantz. No advice on finance. Spin the wheel and take a chance. Get an NFT and a little education. The system got undertow. That knowledge is flotation. You wanna learn? Well, you came to right place. You pumping AMC, might get slapped in the face. Get your due diligence. Know who the villain is. Don't be a sheep when the shepherd's carnivorous. So come learn, laugh, and maybe you win big. And listen up, y'all. The wheel is not rigged. Everybody get a chance in the live chat. Giotto spin wheel, you win just like that. Retail fight back and this retail winning. Y'all just wait, man, this is just the beginning. All fellow simians, GME group singing the truth. We just chillin', infinity pool swimming. So welcome to Marantz Rantz. A lot of knowledge but no advice on finance. Don't even need pants, you can tune in naked like Kenny the Mayo Man. Internet's most hated. Don't wanna lose your money, then it's time for you to listen. If you're ignorant, invest in AMC, a superstition. The stream about ready, they told us to don't dance. I do what I want. Welcome to Marantz Rantz. 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 Welcome to Marantz Rantz.
I'm trying to tell you guys, I love that track. And the other part about that is, guys, that if DMT wants to make some real money off that track, he needs to put it out there into the open. People want that shit. Yes, they love that shit. Hey, by the way, Boss Bun's buying cover calls, bro. Nobody cares. Nobody cares about the calls he's buying on AMC. They're going to cost him. And he doesn't care. He's just trying to hedge his position. He's trying to get some of that money back, that 100K that he lost. Oh my God, it's so funny. That he sold the next day, I bet you. We're about to have a massive move up. We are Green Candle. We are Green Kite. We are going to have a massive move up. I called it for Monday. People could say, what are you talking about, Marantz? I just put a date out there. Can I just put a date out there? Because I don't give two shits, bro. No one cares, but the pump is over. Yeah, AMC went from $2 to $68 approximately in 2021. It's just embarrassing. It's just embarrassing. You know, at times, Christopher, people know how to manage these events. And if you've watched this channel before, which apparently you haven't, you would understand exactly what I mean, how they manage that event. That's a managed event. So you lost it. and you lost me when you don't know what the hell it is. So, looks depressed in this video right now. Yeah, probably, Professor. I don't know. Do I look depressed? Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to the place that's going to tell you AMC ain't going to do a goddamn thing. Bro, I don't know what to tell the common sense investor. I mean, that guy already doesn't have money, but he's out here telling people to pay him $5 for his Patreon and his Discord. He's giving out stock tips. That's crazy. Oh. Enjoy your popcorn bags, bro. GME only weirdos back to bashing AMC copium. Never back to bashing. I never left from bashing. So you tell me why you want to hold AMC, and I'll sit here and I'll listen. Honestly, I'd rather shoot myself in the face with pepper spray and put fucking Tabasco and Tapatio in my eyes before I ever buy an AMC share. But I'll listen to you. What do you got to say? How fast can you type? That's all I want to know. I got to do something while you guys are here. Google. Wow, you can. All right, here we go. I'd rather buy Klein again. Just checking my phone, guys. I'm going to be with you right now. All right, hold up. All right, guys, I'm going to do an exclusive for you. You guys got to give me a second. Let's do it.
Yellow.
This Froggy?
Yeah, this is Froggy.
All right, Jeremy. Yeah, Jeremy, give me 1 second, okay? Because I'm going to set this up for you right now. I just want to make sure that we, I want to show you some respect because you actually reached out. So I'm not going to even mess around with you. I'm going to do it for real.
Cool. I just wanted to have a talk with you. You know, like, I'm not trying to bash you or nothing. Like, I kind of like the fact that you're honest and you seem like you really care about the people too. And I figured, you know, we're pretty much on the same page, just on the other side of the map on plays. So I figured I'd reach out to you.
Yeah, listen, man. I've done numerous AMC Spaces calls with all the guys, the whole crew that you hang out with, the guys that you talk to every day. They know exactly who I am. They don't like my delivery. They don't like the fact how matter of fact I am about it. But I've been cutthroat about AMC from day one, and I'm not changing my tune on that. But it's about the senior leadership, and then, of course, the AMC crowd, and yourself included. This is why I hold you accountable, just like everyone else. Everyone who's pumping this stock, who's telling you that it's going somewhere that it's not. Just tell me, and then we'll start it back from the beginning. When did you get into AMC and why?
Well, originally I was in GME back December, and I ran up, and I didn't even know it was going to pop the way it popped. And then when they took the buy button away, I didn't know what the heck was happening. But I still had AMC, and from there, I was following trades and Macors. So I started holding positions of AMC, and Trey left a pretty good argument that AMC was like GME, and kind of started getting into it a little bit more because it was cheaper. So it was kind of more of attractive based upon price point. And then because you could see it popped too, but not anything like GME. And I didn't understand exactly what all happened to make it pop because I wasn't looking at it for a squeeze play. I just like video games. And I was like, there's no way this company's going to go bankrupt. So I'm going to buy it here. It's a perfect play. And So when I got into it and it ran up, I'm at work. I'm over here like shitting my pants. I'm like, dude, check this out. You know, $400 and some a share. And I had hundreds of them. So I was like ecstatic. And then it came down. I'm like, what was that? And so later on, I started watching AMC closer because I noticed there was a lot of cash flow going into that company. I couldn't figure out why. But later on, I realized there was more shareholders, so there's more money coming in for the overall market cap because of the quantity of people. And it started brewing and brewing, and we got up to that wedge. So I sold like 90% of my GME at that point and went all into AMC and ran up in June. But I got lucky and bought in before Vanguard and BlackRock. So when that popped off, like they pretty much was the reason why it ran up. It had nothing to do with options or Adam Aaron diluting. And like, I was all caught in awe that I caught this one too. And I'm like, what is going on here? Like, this is so weird. Why is BlackRock and Vanguard buying in? Like, that must mean that there's something more to the stock. Then I find out later, Adam's a globalist. BlackRock backs Adam Aaron. Adam Aaron's in Apollo. And all kinds of crazy stuff. And I'm like, we should probably start vetting the board a lot more before we start investing into companies for a longer term position. And nobody wanted to do it. Everybody's like, don't question the CEO, don't question AMC. And I'm like, dude, this is a lot of money I got here. Like, I can question whatever I want. And so then we got criticized for doing it. And I said, well, I'm going to go against the grain. I don't care. I'm going to go bet Adam Aaron. And because I'm looking at Ryan Cohen and I'm like, dude, look what he did with Chewy. You know what I mean? Like, he actually did the same exact thing he's doing right now, but that's for pets. And I'm not saying people don't like their pets, but gamers are obsessive. I mean, if you take a controller away from a video gamer when they're mid-playing, they get pissed. And I was like, gaming's not going to go anywhere. And I said, Ryan Cohen can easily flip that company around the same way, but let's check into Adam Aaron and see what he's done. And I kept finding just crazy stuff. Like, he worked for this company and it got bought out by so-and-so and there was a broker deal. And, or this one got sold to Apollo. This one got sold to Apollo. Now he's on the board for Centrist working as a director. And he actually called me, well, he didn't call me out personally. He just said it was FUD, that I wasn't telling the truth. And I'm like, no, this is actually a fact. You're on the website. Yep. And then he finally addressed it and admitted it. Oh, I'm helping a buddy.
Yeah,
well,
best
then why
friends.
would you call it FUD? And I'm not sitting there trying to bash the guy at that point. I'm just trying to get the facts out so we can invest properly into it.
Okay.
And,
well, you know, that was, and this is like the real DMT's typing right now. That's Centricus Acquisitions, and we know that they are owned by Citadel. It's run by Citadel. Yep. But and he's actually on the board of directors, and he said it was just because of his friendship with some guy from Europe or whatever. I don't even care about that. Here's the part that pisses me off, Frog, okay? And Jeremy, and I tell you this wholeheartedly, man. As much as you might hate Adam Aaron, as much as I do, and you might question it or call it out, the minute you're walking into the crowd shoulder to shoulder with the guys who praise him, that's where you lose me. That's where you lose the whole fact that you want to say that you stand on integrity or merit. I saw you in the Spaces call yesterday, and you're literally holding hands with these guys, singing Kumbaya, like, hey, we're going to do this. And even when you choose to talk, young man, she shuts you up. No, that's not what I'm mad about. Because I don't know if you were saying we should be DRSing our shares, or if you were, you're giving them the GameStop playbook, and it sounds like you care about GameStop and what they're doing. But you tell me where that crowd and the guys that you want to give merit to can stand on their own word. They have changed it right now. You're changing, and I'll call you out on it respectfully to tell you, you guys are changing the narrative halfway in the game, as in to blame someone. Now it's let's blame Adam Aaron. Blame yourselves for telling the crowd that this was going to do something. Are you aware that I had Tara Bull on my channel 2 weeks before the damn split?
Yeah, I seen you posted a video.
I have her but I haven't even posted that whole conversation, as in to say I told everyone it's going to come crashing down, and she says, you can't do that, Marantz. You can't tell my 83,000 followers what's going to happen. They're not yours to tell them that. Like, is that crazy?
Well, I think everybody's entitled to speak whatever they want to speak. That's why when you came out, like you came out hard, and I'm not saying it was bad at all. I think the brutal truth needed to be told. And like when you came out and you hit Spence, I was like, well, I didn't know nothing about the that's an older video. I didn't know nothing about it.
It's a Medica.
And I questioned him on it, and I was like, he's like, well, it's a long time ago, and he goes, I became a believer in AMC. That's why, and I was like.
No.
Well, you have to prove yourself at this point. I said, so I'll let you do what you got to do, because I know that I'm real and like I know what I do. And my thing is trying to get to the bottom of things. And I realized while we were in this play, we have a lot of infiltrators or saboteurs in the play. And like, okay, so you already know about Tony DiNardo, Casey Shaw, and that clique that's over there.
I have no idea. I mean, I know who they are, but I don't know what they're all about. I just know that they're liars.
Well, we were supposed to be all partners, and I realized that they were spinning the message of truth. Like, so Spence came up to me with the DRS thing, and I was anti-DRS just because I didn't want to change my process because I was stubborn. I was like, let me stay on a broker, do it the old-fashioned way. He goes, just look into it. And I was like, okay. So I started looking into it, and that's where he said, GME's doing it. Why aren't we doing it? I said, good point. So we spent a whole week going over it. And I said, well, these people from GME aren't stupid. I said, if they're doing DRS, there's a reason behind it. We need to figure out why. And so I did a whole week covering DRS, but I got attacked by everybody on the other side, the Casey Shaw, Tony DiNardo, Pantheon, like that whole list. And I'm like, why are you guys attacking? Go do your DD and look it up yourself. Like, bring out the facts, tell the truth, educate people. There's a reason why GME's doing it. And I said, I want to know why. And when I found out that it stops share lending and it helps eliminate a lot of these problems like reapplication, you can actually get a share count that way. And I was like, well, this isn't bad stuff. I said, yeah, it's hunky and clunky, but if this is what we have to do to make something happen, let's do it.
So hold on. Let me stop you right there, because I'm trying to figure. Listen, I give everyone enough rope until they admit exactly what they're looking at. You're saying that you took the time to get educated on the process, which I don't care either way, right? I want to know this. Do you believe there are synthetics beyond the number you see, or beyond the number that Adam Aaron has told you about?
I believe that there's beneficial owners, which is basically what they're calling synthetics. Because if you look at CMKM or CMKX at Diamond Company, they did the same thing where basically you think that you're an owner of a stock, but you're just a beneficial owner of a stock, and they can lend it out because in street name you can't stop lending because those shares were never yours to begin with. They were somebody else's, and you get beneficial ownership of the price movement. So at that point, you can have all these people, when you add up all the beneficially owned rights or whatever you want to call it, it would end up totaling for more than it's actually a legal loophole. And to prove that they know that this exists is that IEX has actually come down from Royal Bank of Canada just to basically exploit that so they can come in and take over market share against Citadel. And it's backed by Goldman Sachs, which I don't trust them at all.
All right. Froggy, I'm going to tell you something, okay?
Yeah.
If there are billions, as you call it, right? Like everybody says billions, right?
Well, within reason. Some people are trying to say 10, 20.
Yeah, I just had a guy tell me right now 10.
Yeah.
Watch this. You ready?
Yeah.
What happens when you guys are wrong?
Well, that's going to be the worst shocker, because if we go in DRS and we can't get there,
you're not going to get there.
Major problem.
You're not going to get there. You have to DRS 500 million shares that don't exist. The reason why I tell you this and the indicators for this are proxies. Your proxy vote was 53%. Like, have you guys even factored any of this stuff in? If it's 80, 90% retail owned, like it's being reported, proxy's only 53%. You're going to tell me it's all overseas? I'm going to tell you no. I'm going to tell you I go with Adam Aaron and what he said. And I tell you right now, you guys want to be the educated investor, you guys want to be the informed investor, You want to partner up with the guy who lies, who openly admitted to shorting AMC? I'm going to tell you something, man. You are with who you roll with. I roll with a different set of characters here. I've got some guys that are amazing people. They do all the homework. We do due diligence before we speak, and we're not in it for clicks. Your crew is there for clicks, and they're constantly bragging about having the 600, 1,000 people on a call. This is the movement. This is what we have. All for OnlyFans subs. Spencer's excited that people are clicking on his videos again because nobody was clicking on Reddit. Like, you got to know the crowd you're rolling with. And I only talk to you, and I'll tell you why I talk to you, man, because you're a Cowboy fan. I'm going to be real with you. I know people are going to laugh about this, but Cowboy fans have been through a lot in life. They've gone through this whole run. Dez made a catch. We were cheated out of that playoff game. We were cheated out of a lot of things in life. The ball not being down in time so we can run one more play last year. Tony Romo getting injured and Dak taking a run on Tony's team that could have went to the Super Bowl. And right now, Cooper Rush not getting the respect that our number one defense in the whole damn NFL is getting. Let me tell you, all jokes aside, Frog. Jeremy, you're on the wrong side of this. You're on with the wrong people. And I've said that from day one. I have yet to be proven wrong. And I'm not saying I'm always correct. When it comes to AMC and Adam Aaron and the grifters, the crew, and I don't call you that because I'll tell you what, you don't put out videos for clicks. I've seen you. You don't go out here chasing the clout. Yeah, you have a lot of bots following you on Twitter. That's one thing. But you literally aren't doing it the way they are. You try to have a voice. You try to be out there. But when you're getting shunned and shut down in your own spaces calls like you were the other day yesterday, I heard you talk and she said, no, that's not it. It's like it's her way or the highway. It's tough for me to even, I'm telling you, man, when you go out there and you voice your opinion to them, then I'm going to be like, you know what? Jeremy's about it. But you know what? You're not, Jeremy. You're on the side of numbers. It doesn't mean that you're right. I promise you, man. I wish you the best of luck in everything you do. I have your number, yes. And I have you on the call right now, and it's a little informal. But I promise you, bro, this is going to get worse. Well before it gets better. Borrowing $400 million at 14% today is another nail in the coffin. And no one's willing to admit it. No one's willing to speak on it. You want to speak truth and everything to your crowd? And when you go in there, say it. They are prolonging bankruptcy. The price is going to come down to $4. You're going to see $1 on the Ape. It is not there. Ape was a Trojan horse on retail. That's what I called it the day it was announced. And I have tweets about it.
They worked around our vote to not dilute. And it was basically like a slap in the face. That's what I took it as.
Yeah. You know, Froggy, I had a whole different approach to you before I ever talked to you right now. You're not uninformed, bro. Like you have the info. But I think that you need to have the ground to come out here and say the truth. And it's tough, man, when you're surrounded with people that will just automatically cancel you. Your whole crowd that you've built will cancel you. But guess what I tell you to that? You'll find some integrity somewhere in it and you'll feel better at night. You will. If you're misleading people, it's going to be tough out here. And the misleading of people is telling them this shit's going to squeeze. It's not going to squeeze.
I know you probably won't agree with this one, but I mean, I do believe that Spence, Terrible, and Al from Boston, like they all do care. I've talked to them for hours on the phone about this exact stuff. And first thing we were looking at was all the bad people that were basically spreading misinformation and lies to people. And like, that's pretty much the reason why all of us came together, was for the exact reason of we got tired of like the people saying you can't question Adam Aaron and like DRS is bad. Like I got assaulted over not assaulted, but attacked by so many people over the DRS thing. And I'm like, this don't make any sense. Like you think that people would want to hear a good alternative or solution that could actually get the win for us or something.
Did you watch my video yesterday?
Which one?
The one I did last night, where I talked to every single AMC YouTuber.
No, I probably missed that one.
Yeah,
I want you today live, and I was like,
I know.
Well, let's stop in.
I want you to watch that video because I'm going to give you the cliff notes, and I want you to pay attention. And I say this with the utmost respect to all of you guys. You don't get to change the narrative. You don't get to say, it's Adam Aaron, he's not a good guy, I'm going to point my finger at him now. Not when people have been parading and cheering him on. I have numerous calls with all the people you just named. This is so great. This is so bullish. The same thing with Al from Boston. Paid shill, without a doubt. Has no business here. Comes out and says, this is an exclusive deal with Netflix and AMC. This is Adam Aaron doing his job and pouncing on the apes. This is him. And now we're praising him for this deal that's not even his deal. But you're so quick to give, not you, I'm speaking in general.
Yeah.
Tara's no different. Tara's the worst. Now it fits her narrative to question it and be this way. Why? Because she has her following. Now she thinks her voice is bigger than the crew. And guess what? It's not. Because I can show you the videos of 4 to 8 weeks ago, only a month ago, where she said, you're not allowed to say that because you don't know. I've been saying the same thing for 2 years. And you know this just like everyone else does. 2 years, we've been saying this.
There's a horrible narrative that goes around that you can't question anything. And I'm like, dude, you got real money into this play. You should be able to question anything. And for that to be a narrative is insane. But that's a certain group of people that's within the community that started spreading that narrative that you can't question. And I thought that was ridiculous because, like, we should be able to ask Adam Aaron questions like, how come you can't get the company profitable?
It's
like,
not
how
profitable.
come you're diluting so much? How come cost of operation is double? How come you closed the theatrical window down from 90 days to 45 days? Like, you pretty much just cut revenue off the top. But we ain't allowed to ask these questions because you get demonized by this, like, supposed majority.
Bots.
It's not even a majority. They're almost like they're paid shills.
Have you not heard this one where it's all you guys have followings because of bots? Wanda Group.
I've seen lots of them in there. I've been on a blocking spree trying to bait these things out. And because they come in and they, like, if one person attacks, like 5 will attack right after. And I'm like, good, September 22. And I just go through and I'm like, but then they pop right back up. And I'm like, they must just make new ones like as fast as you can remove them.
Well, the theory is the company used to be owned by China. AMC used to be owned by China. And China doesn't want this company just to die off and make it look like it was a bad investment. So they're going to pump you guys up and give you views and give you retweets and give you hugs and loves. And you guys are going to think that it's something. But guess what? Look at the chat in your videos. I have 135 people in the chat right now. And my chat will go crazy if I start talking. You guys talk, the chat doesn't go anywhere. I'm telling you because it's not real people. It's not real numbers. The real investors of AMC are down and out and nervous right now. People are going to lose their lives, Jeremy. They're going to lose their lives because of the videos and the propaganda that's been put in front of them. And I don't care who's done it. I want to know which one of you guys is willing to admit you were wrong on your investment, you were wrong on the advice of the investment, and own it. And when somebody does that, that's the guy I look at and I go, or girl, and I say, you know what? They're real. Now they understand. Not, let's point fingers now at what's going on. Let's question this. Who was in question a year ago? You got in and you did no DD. You just bought in and you got lucky. Just like that's exactly what you say. Okay, well now where's the DD that you're looking at? I look at DD before I ever buy in. And I was like, hell no, I'm not buying this. There's no way. Look at the operational debt. You're absolutely correct. But that's not a profitable business no matter how much popcorn you push towards somebody's way or movies and theatrical windows you want to say. It's not profitable, period. It never has been. Hasn't made $1 ever. So I'm trying to figure out, I'm talking about like 2014. So,
well, because when you look at the fundamentals on stuff, obviously GME has, I mean, you were talking about the rental agreements and stuff that were coming up.
Yep.
And Ryan Cohen, the thing is, they could say that Ryan Cohen's making any bad moves because he's doing everything that we would hope, where your CEO is actually trying to go for profits. He's actually building those warehouses to make sure that you guys have basically an investment.
Right. Well, let me correct all of that. One, he's not the CEO. Matthew Furlong's the CEO, and they're not building, they're leasing. The best part about leasing the properties is that you don't have to commit to them long term. And maybe you need more, maybe you don't, but they know where to do it. They do it in Pennsylvania and Nevada, where it's the cheapest to actually have warehouses. That's what Chewy did. That's what Zulily did. And that's what GameStop's doing. So there's a way that you can beat Amazon. We got that part, but these are black and white. You can't compare the two. I hate it. And I tell you this right now, anytime somebody says GameStop and AMC, look at this, look at that. You can't compare the two. You guys are carrying the biggest weight in your lifetime. It's a heavy ass trailer behind you called $12 billion of operational debt and corporate debt. And nobody wants to even talk about the number. The number is unfathomable. It's unrecoverable. And I don't care what movie comes out. And I don't care what movement comes out. No one's buying the debt. They couldn't find AMC buyers, shareholder buyers in December of 2020 at $3 a share. What makes you think they're going to buy Ape that has no intrinsic value at $2 or at $1.50? They're not. They don't have a buyer for Ape. They don't have a buyer for their debt. So now that they took liquidity out of you, what did it cost you to hold? Everything. It cost you half your share. It cost you 80% of your equity in Ape. You have been gutted. So I'm asking, which one of you guys is willing to come out and say you were wrong? That's what I want to hear. And that's what I want to see. And I don't want to be right. I don't want somebody to say, oh, Marantz, you were right. That's not what I'm looking for. I want to know when you guys come out and fall on your own sword and say, you know what? I'm not trying to hit recovery. I'm not trying to keep my crowd. I'm literally going to say I'm gone. I'm wrong. And that's it. Everybody left. Trey left. Matt left. Everybody that you watched coming in, they all left because they know. Tony De Niro doesn't stream during the day because he knows. Everybody left. Now you guys are sitting here trying to put the pieces together. There's nothing to put together. This Humpty Dumpty broke. It's gone. And I wish you the best of luck. That's where I'm at right now. But I'm not ever going to stop saying the truth out here for you. But I tell you right now, Jeremy, when you want to team up or if you want to come on a show, you want to get some narrative out, something in a positive light, hit me up. I will bring you on anytime because at least you had the merit and the gall to show up and answer this phone call.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, I wanted to reach out to you because some of the things that you were speaking was some of the stuff that was right on my mind. And like I talked to like other people in my group and I said, hey, we kind of need this constructive criticism here to kind of shake us and open our eyes up to say, hey, we should be looking at some of this stuff. And you went pretty deep on it too, because like you were obviously doing some homework to figure out this stuff. And I was like, one thing that I've been questioning for a minute is why did all of the people that's on the board sell all the, when you look over at Ryan Cohen and he's holding all of his shares. And I said, typically I never trade that way. Like there's a play right now I'm doing a swing on. The insiders bought into the company. So I took that as bullish. So I bought into it plus, the fundamentals and the way it's oversold and stuff like that. And I bought into it as a side play. And I said, typically, if I see somebody selling within the company, that's a very bearish thing. And I said, but I ignored those like red flag. Trust Adam Aaron.
Yeah, you can't do that. Were you aware of the? Yeah, were you aware of the 13-month window they had to sell all their shares?
13 months window?
Yeah,
no, I didn't know about that.
Here you go. So for 13 months, from October 2020 to November of 2021, Adam Aaron lifted the clause for insiders and senior officers to hold shares at AMC. They then could sell as much as they want. He then used that same narrative on the annual shareholders meeting of 2021 and told everyone, I'm going to put in this new clause that forces officers to hold X amount of shares, X amount of years of their worth or whatever they're doing. That was already in play before him. He didn't tell anybody that he lifted it. So he lifted it for that time frame for when they were diluting the stock because they all wanted to sell off. They had 13 months to sell as much as they could. 67 sales transactions, 0 buys in the last 5 years. 67 sales transactions in the last 2 years. They all sold everything. They sold the house because they were allowed to. And then they knew, Jeremy, they knew that they had the ape equity in their back pocket. So as they sold off everything, now they have a new unit to pay off. They don't need shares. All they need is these ape units. And they kept 60 million in the pocket just to pay off for PSUs. And guess what they do now? They now have $400 million as of today to add to their books and their credit facility to say, look, we have this much cash, we have this much, and guess what they get bonuses on? Cash on hand, they get PSU bonuses on that. So they're going to get PSUs in the form of ape. They're going to sell those off as well. They're going to sell everything off. They don't care. This is why the insiders have sold off this company. They did it in real time right in front of you. And it sucks, man, because I've been talking about this for 2 years and people just look at me like I'm some shill. No, I'm giving you the truth. I'm giving you the facts. But when you say Marantz, you know a lot about it. I study AMC more than I study GameStop. And that's saying something considering I know everything that I'll ever want to know about GameStop. But it's how much do I know about AMC? Enough to know to stay away and enough to tell the masses to do the same. I'm one guy, bro, and I try my best. But if you guys are in those small circles with each other, just talking it up and hyping it up, get the truth out there. Get the truth out there and find a way to limp away. Because you can't run anymore. You already hit so hard. You're just going to limp or you're just going to crawl away out of this one. This is bad. But it's going to get worse.
I think people are starting to wake up with the idea that we should be questioning things a lot more than we have been. And so that's kind of one of the things that we're starting to do. I know a lot of them don't want to agree that we should be asking Adam Aaron to explain himself, which he's probably not going to do.
Nope.
Because I think he knows that what he's doing is wrong.
Yeah, without a doubt. But can you do me a favor? With all respect, like when you talk to your crew and you talk to everybody and you mention me, just say, hey, man, I talked to Marantz, a.k.a. Smelling Salt, and he woke me the fuck up today. Because that's what I want to be known as. I want to be as the AMC Smelling Salt. I'm going to smack you guys with this truth. But, man, I respect you for picking up. I really do. I have to get going. Jeremy, I know we talked for a little bit here. I'd love to talk longer. But get your stuff together and let me know when you want to hit those guys with the truth, because saying Spencer and Tara want what's best for you guys and so does Al. No, it looks like they're just protecting their investment. That's what it looks like right now and trying to piece it together. It's different. A guy like me, where I'm the third party out, I don't have anything invested in there. I'm just giving you hardcore facts. It's all I do. And I've never stopped and I won't stop. So I wish you the best of luck. When you choose to listen and you choose to take the advice, that's on you. But I can't walk you. I can walk you to the water. I can't make you drink it. That's all it is. Fundamentals, baby.
Well, as kind of like a peace offering with you.
Sure.
Because I want you to know that we're going to, like, I'm trying to prove to you that, everything that I say, I mean. We do have information. I know you would love to look into this. Tony Denaro, his real last name is Franchetti.
Oh,
it's not
God.
Denaro. So when you look it up and you realize that he kind of looks like he's a little sugary in the tank, you're probably right.
Yeah, no, I know I'm right. It's a cover. He's got a whole cover going.
But there's more than just him that's doing the same thing. Like we have a lot of infiltrators in the community that tell us, like, we're going to look into the CEO and whatever, and then come back with facts for you. And they don't come back with facts. They come back with a narrative. And then when you trust a person thinking that they're doing good DD, they're actually misleading you with they basically lure you in with trust, and then they mislead you. And then when you go and question it, they block you. And I've been questioning Tony's integrity for a long time, and all of a sudden now I'm the crazy one for even questioning it.
I have the personal cell phone of Mass DeLorean, and I've offered him plenty of times to come on and we can talk that out. But Mass doesn't want to lose his following either. They've come this far to only come this far. Remember that. And I know he's not real military because I saw him stand up and he saluted with his left hand, and he put that he's a veteran. So that's a disgrace. But it's okay. I laugh about it. I was on their show. They interviewed me. They brought me on as the resident GameStop expert, whatever, the subject matter expert. And then they tried to poke holes into me and it didn't work. And I didn't even say one bad thing about AMC, that whole thing. And I didn't talk MOAS. I only talk fundamentals like I am right now with you. Fundamentally, these are bad investments, AMC and APE. And I just hope you guys do your homework a little bit harder next time. But I'm here, man. You let me know whatever you need. And I know how to get a hold of you. I'll text you when we're done with this so that you actually have my number. I'm not afraid to get myself out there or my name out there. You guys know where I'm at. But I've been saying the truth for a long time. So catch up, do your homework on that. And about Tony, I don't doubt it. Well, on this channel, we have two names for him, bro. It's Tony D's Nuts and Tony Deep Throat. So please don't call him Denaro. All right. Appreciate you so much, Jeremy, for picking up. I really do. And I hope you have a great day, sir.
You too, man.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. I'm here. That was Jeremy, Froggy Styles. He's actually, he's in it for himself, apparently, because hell, shit, if he was in it for those guys, he would tell them the truth. But I respect him for picking up the phone. I do. It's hard. It's hard to pick up the phone and take that call, take that ass beating. Okay? There's no doubt that I'm out here just, like, there's stuff they don't know. right? Like I can start talking and then they're just going to get a fistful of education. All the stuff, I'm telling you right now, guys, I'm going to say something very, very sincere to each and every one of you followers of this channel. You've been watching me for a long time, and I don't care about these haters in the chat. I see these guys. You guys are idiots. If you watch this channel, right, you know more about AMC fundamentals than anyone on YouTube, anyone in Twitter, and that's why it rocks you. You know more than anybody, guys. Christopher Bate, you can sit here as long as you want and get the info, but eventually you're going to retain it, okay? You could hear his size. Yeah, hey, Raider bro, it's punching the wind out of somebody. There's nothing you can say. I added 3 more GME while I wait. There you go. You guys spending more time trashing AMC than you do talking about GameStop. It's odd. It's not odd, Tech. Today we're talking about AMC because of the headline that we have there. I talk about a lot of things. You know, I talk about, I don't know, just anything you want to talk about. Well, you name it. How about this? Tech, we love. You're on a timeout right now for 300 seconds. That's 5 minutes. When you come back right now, I want you to give me a topic and we're going to talk about it. Okay? Whatever you type in, I'm going to talk about Tech we love. So when you're done with the 5 minute timeout, I got you, bro. You can stay here. Yeah. Buy the dip, no regrets. You only for a few K followers. Most are bots. You saying I have bots? Oh man, come on, guys. How many guys here know about there are no bots in this channel? No, it's not even allowed. Do you even know how we get through the bots? I'll do a wheel giveaway. You know what was crazy? Somebody wrote in the chat the other day. This is how smart the viewers are of this channel. Somebody wrote in the chat, they go, Marantz, I supported you until you started talking bad about AMC. It was like, and there was their name, right? And it was like the first time ever we ever read the name. And then somebody comes out and goes, if you've never been on the wheel, then you're not fake. Then you're fake. You're not real. Bro, giving away over $10,000 worth of NFTs and GameStop gift cards and give some prizes. You're telling me, yeah, I give away everything. You telling me that we have bots? No, these are real people coming in here, giving you the info, and I hope you have it. Shout out to DMT in the airport, bro. I know you're probably bored sitting there, but at least you got me in your ear, and I appreciate you, bro. How's the rapper of my lifetime not bumping music in his ear? He's got me in his ear. That's different for me, bro. Yes, sir. Sold 500 GMA today. We'll buy back on the dip soon. Oh, 24th in the money. Hey, I appreciate you coming back. I mean, God, bro. I don't know what to tell you. Why do AMC trolls like to hang out here so much? Like, what did I ever do to you? Huh? I don't know. Thank you guys so much for the likes today. 105 likes. That's a lot. I mean, it's a good day today. Could you talk about the difference between loan and a 5-year corporate bond? I honestly don't know if I have a vague understanding. Brian, I can't talk about the difference because I don't know all the ins and outs of their corporate bond. I know that you have to make payments on things. And I know that when the payments are due, you got to have the money, right? So these convertible bonds, what they had before, this is why in January of 2021, why it exploded, they all thought it was the run-up. It wasn't the run-up. Oh, God, they hold to the buy button. Oh, God, these guys are idiots. But I will say this, 4%, 14% is a massive number for any amount of borrowed money. I don't care what you buy. You get that part yet? You'll find out real soon. They've already restructured $950 million and send it back to 2029. And now in front of you, they're still not paying their bills, and they're going to send over another $400 million to 2027. This is not good. This is just prolonging the inevitable. At some point, you can't just keep borrowing money. You have to make money, and you have to have money on hand. So he's going to make it look like they do. They're going to come out and be like, yo, we got this much cash. We got this much that. And just go ahead and minus the $400 million they just put on the books right now. They still have $5.5 billion now of debt. Nothing you can do about it. No, they're going to have a good quarter win. Or talk to me after quarter 4, Marantz. Okay. Another cash burn of $400 million until then. Well, there you go. Keep borrowing money. You'll figure it out. Somewhere down the road, the banks are going to tell you, you're going to call your bluff, and it's going to be a done deal. But there you go. You can't prove that, Marantz. What can I prove? Can I prove? Around 26 and 28. There we go. You question if I was a bot before you must think that the bots are on your channel. No, it's not what I think. You're saying I can't prove that? I know almost every single person that comes into this chat and talks to me. Every single one. And if I don't, I get to know you. Well, I make sure of it. Ask 24 and Money. The guy's just in here trolling right now, but I know who he is. He's been here before. Short hedge fund collaborator. Absolutely. Why not? Why not collaborate with them? Let's do it. Guess what? We are middle and lower class too. We don't like people being scammed out of life savings. AMC should not be someone's identity plus family over scammy companies. There you go, Dizzy. I know Dizzy's not a bot, and I know Dizzy's got my back. So how about that? Bro, I keep adding GameStop all the time, my brother. Got in, and my mom's got in. A legend to be? You're going to be a legend, bro. Looks like sour hour today. No worries. It's all happening tomorrow. I'm good. Yeah, I said Monday, and DMT knew exactly what I was talking about. So, and then in addition to that, Kyoto said something else on that too. We'll just play it out. We'll see how it goes. The reason why AMC investors are here is because all the AMC YouTubers have crawled away into their holes. Unplugged. You know what? Touche. You are right. Bates, calm down. Use your brain. Yeah. Yeah, and they're welcome here. AMC, Scrubs, you guys can hang out, man. Hope you guys realize what you don't own. Hope it just tanks for you. I guess I'm going to have to run 2 tickers tomorrow. I guess I'll run GameStop and AMC. I'll put them both on the screen for you. I don't want to put all 3. I don't want to put the other scrub one up there. I have AMC over here, and I can put Ape. You guys just want to look at it fall down to the ground a little bit. 162. Trash. Look at this shit, bro. God, it's garbage. Okay, we'll go back to GameStop. GameStop, how you feeling, GameStop? How you living? What? How you living? In living color. That's color right there, green. You can do what you wanna do. In living color. People don't remember this shit. Heavy D up on the scene. Man, Heavy D was such a real rapper, bro. I swear to God, Heavy D was beast. There we go. I made 106K on AMC a year ago and knew it was a pump and dump. I just laugh at bag holders. Yeah, they're the ones mad. Atlas, I've been trying to tell the world. I sold is a very small portion of my total GME holdings. Got to make dough when the sun shines. I guess I just go to work. You have Discord? Boom, Kyoto wants to see the order. He ain't playing with you, bro. Marantz said I was a bot and changed his mind, says there are no bots on this channel. Christopher Bate, you are a bot, but you don't know what I meant by that, do you? I meant you're a bottom, bro. You're a bottom. Go ahead and figure that one out. Google it. Yes, 14% on 400 is no good. Over 5 years is better. If no one believes in it, then no one would have bought it, though, right? No, Brian. You buy it, and then you short it. You short the stock. So you can buy up their debt, and then you short them, and then you know they can never pay you back, and you make money off the short. You guys got to know how they play this. This is just too much for me. Very interesting that today GameStop old company zombie ticker SimpQ is up 14% green. I don't even know if it 1400%. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that means. Thanks. You can see my tax form too, and by 889 back in March, dumped as it fell. Yeah, mine. I showed mine at 898 and 899 on my buy-ins on AMC, and I had additional buy-ins, but yeah, and I sold. I think I'm real. So do I. I'm real. Very interesting that today. There you go. I already read that part. They will never. Would they ever cover their shorts? No. AMC? No, they don't have to. Truth. I've been listening for a while today. Love the stream. Thank you, Nathan Dandy. I appreciate you as always. Nathan Dandy, been around for a long time, bro. Your AMC short position is going to get crushed like an ant, Marantz. No, I don't have one. You're an insult to GameStop wearing that t-shirt. Christopher. Go watch a video, Christopher. Go watch my last update video. I mean, just, dude, stop. An insult to GameStop. Shit. You know how many people have bought GameStop? I can't even talk to you. 10 to 10, yeah, 10 to 162. Checkmate, without a doubt. Keep singing. Oh, don't do that shit. No. I'm pretty sure Marantz doesn't hold any short positions. No, I hate shorts. I hate everything short. Very interesting that today GameStop... Dude, hey, Jason, who is this goddamn bot, bro? Heavy D up in the limousine. Yeah, trust me, bro. But theoretically, they still need to cover. There ain't no bots around here. That's the third time you spammed that. There you go. Appreciate your work, brother. Juan, you're welcome. I appreciate you, and I'll keep doing my best, man. I can't believe Les is in here just watching. What's up, Les? How you doing, man? Where you been? Anyone who AMC bag holds don't even know about BPTH. Just a year before AMC, it went up 400% in a week. Pump and dumps aren't new. There you go. More emojis next time, bro. Oh, here we go. Hey, I almost had enough of this dude. I almost sits in the cut for a little bit. Yeah. But because he said, what did he say to me? Oh, okay, yeah. Master Bates is a bottom. I learned something today. Yeah, they tried to pump HKD last few times in equity. Yeah, Bates, you're now protecting at the point. What is Discord? Discord is there. It's on the screen. Go ahead and click it, and then you can download it, and there you go. It's pinned to the top of the chat. Boom. It was a dump on YouTube a year before AMC followed up. You're probably right, and I wish you guys the best. Yes, I'm a bag holder, so just another idiot, I guess. No, Paul. Paul, you're not just another idiot. Paul, let me tell you something. And it's not that we're probably right. We don't want to be right. It doesn't work that way. Like, I want AMC to jump up in price. I want it to go crazy. I want people to make money, and I want them to get out. I do. The problem I have is not with the AMC investor. The problem I have is with the AMC pumper and the leadership team. They're all lying. They're not truthful. I hate it. I can't stand it. They say things that don't make sense, but yet in real time, and the guy who wants to make $1 million tomorrow is like, oh, I'm going to be so fucking rich. It sucks, bro. Paul, I'm happy you're here. I'm happy you found your way into the channel. I'm happy you actually got here. Now, watch something. I got a lot of videos there, bro. Just pick a day. You can literally just pick a day, push play, and enjoy the conversations. Because I have one pace. Bates here now. Yeah, exactly. All you need to know is the squeeze is still a possibility for AMC. No, Christopher Bate, it is not a possibility. It's not a possibility. That's all you need to know. It's over. You had a planned event, a managed event, and I've proven that here on the screen. I did it last week. I actually made a video. I forget what it's called. What is it called? AMC, thanks for playing. Watch that one, please. And then you'll understand. Wow, thanks for telling us. Thanks, Mixtape. You're absolutely right. Testing. Ape, he is not about. Ape M, you're welcome to be here, bro. Abe over here fucking super chat and got put in a timeout. Choke on that. Jimmy is a squeeze plays, that's all. Okay. I'm not in it for a squeeze, so that sucks for me, I guess. My internet was acting up, but I'm back. When a company, and I'm going to explain this answer right now, Marvin. My wife is texting me saying, you got to go to work. I'm like, I know. I'm going to go to work right now. Just let me answer all this. Could you explain what you meant by they don't need to cover? Okay, so when a company's going down like it is right now, you literally don't have to buy back in because the price is so inviting that they can still keep knocking it down. The market cap does not explain what this company is. At 589, it's still overpriced. They don't make any money. Ape is trash. This is a terrible stock to own. They can buy back in at 4. Why would you buy back in at 6 when you can buy back in at 4? So new shorts will get into it and keep knocking it down. New shorts and new shorts. So it's been shorted the whole way down, yes, but it's because it's supposed to be. So people sell off and people know exactly what they have. If it had value, it would be going back, but it's not. And it's not going to. They never have to cover what you think they do because they cover it in real time. They cover it in front of you. There's so much volume on the stock. They cover it all the time. Sorry, I didn't mean to delete the super chat. I just wanted to time you out. Well, there you go. I didn't even get to read what he said. It's cool. It's just money. Abe, it's not cool because I want to know what you wrote. Look up the ticker. Okay, can somebody put Jason on a timeout? Just put him on a timeout, okay? Was old GameStop company that bashed down the seller. We don't give a shit about other tickers, Jason. Learn the channel, bro. Learn the channel before you start talking. Because, I mean, it's just ridiculous. You're making me think you're a bot now, yeah. Oh, here we go, Tech. Marantz, I'm taking you up on your offer. How about you take down AMC and Ape on the charts and put GameStop up and talk about GameStop for 1 hour. Let's focus GameStop and how amazing GameStop is. That's the challenge. Dude, I've talked about GameStop for 800 and something plus videos for this whole past 2 years. And if I take it down off the chart, I have no problem doing that at all. You know I don't. How about we don't even have a ticker up on there? I'm taking you up on the offer. How about we don't do that at all? How about it's just me and you? You want to know what kind of substance we're going to have? What do you want to talk about GameStop? How do you want to do it? GameStop, following the patterns of Mark Vadden at Zulily, Blue Nile, the whole crew. These guys actually have a playbook on how to beat Amazon, and they're doing it well. They do it in the jewelry category. They do it in the pet food category. And because Mark Vadden was the CEO of Chewy as well, right after that, after Zulily. Now, who did GameStop hire for all their e-commerce and everything they do? All the Zulily guys, all the Chewy guys, all the Amazon guys. They know what they're doing. They're going to win. They're going to beat them out. It's going to happen in real time. You see it right now. They hired 2 new fulfillment centers. They have 800 new hires as far as the call center and all the executives that they hired onto their team. Nobody's selling shares. Everybody's buying shares. Everybody wants to be a part of this company. Insiders alike and past previous insiders that have since left the company still have not sold their shares because they know the direction of this company. This company is going to be everything. Now, that's GameStop. And you want to talk about price action and price movement. I don't care about the day-to-day action on GameStop. I just know where they're going to be ahead of time because they have great leadership, great everything. Look at me. I'm great. We're going to do this together. And that's what the company is. So go ahead and go on the website. Go ahead and buy a watch. Go ahead and buy a Garmin. Go ahead and buy a Ring doorbell. Buy a TV and a mount. You can do everything that you could never do on this website, including Halloween costumes right now. But you know it all. Everybody thinks that this is about what? AMC Bastion Channel? That's not what it is. AMC Fact Channel, yes. But as far as GameStop goes and where they're headed, plenty of inventory on hand for this Q4 where they do 40% of their business. Q3 looks healthy for us. We have a growth in GamePro members. We have a growth in the cash card sold. We have a growth in warranty sold. We're paying our executives. We're paying all of our employees via stock. So, and I'm talking about the full-time employees, the actual store managers. So therefore, you're developing culture. The culture will be embedded. It'll take 3 to 5 years, and you will see GameStop have a true transformation, a true pivot. Yes, they have an NFT marketplace that is going to be great one day. I'm not worried about that. We're talking about brick and mortar, e-commerce, making money when the buildings close 9 to 9, and we're talking about 9 at night to 9 in the morning. That's when they're making their money, certainly on holidays. But hey, we just own GameStop and we do the best we can. If you really don't know the ins and outs of it, you can come hang out with me sometime, Tech Love, or you can go ahead and watch all the videos out there and you'll get all the info I just gave you. But in addition to that, you get a little bit more, right? A little bit more detail, a little bit more dialed down, but I'm just giving you the gist of it because I just want to give you the tip. Can I just give you the tip? You gonna make it with the tip? You gonna be okay? You gonna start shaking and shivering? Yeah, I know. Spit on it, bro. It'll go in. All right, who's next? All right. He is not a bot. There we go. I already talked to these guys. He will never get hooked on and then he will get hooked on Marantz. We know that part. Paul, thank you so much. He's active on Webull, guys. He's active on Webull. I bought some GME today. My way to 2,000 shares is going strong. Good job, JC. Keep killing it, man. It's not a challenge. Marantz has talked for hours of revolution, NFTs, blockchain, decentralized everything. You're just late to the party. Absolutely. The real play is a put on Twitter deal. Ain't going down. Hey, that put by Peppered, man. Peppered's got puts on AMC, and I'm excited because I want those. I saw that video. I grabbed them on the collar and threw them in the bar. Oh, there you go. Unless you live in Canada. Hot this year, Roadhouse style. No, not that clever, though. There we go. Website is trash in Canada. It'll get better, I promise. Hiding blocks in. There we go. Go back. Chopping logs for the Walmart, bro. Oh, yeah. There you go. All right. Take care, bro. Got to bounce. Me too. All right, guys. I got to take off. I love everybody, guys. Thank you guys so much. We had more likes than viewers right now. I appreciate that. That means we had a lot of people roll through the channel today. Over 1,216 views today. Thank you so much for that. GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. What? 1,000 views on a live stream? Really? That means there's 1,000 smart people. But I appreciate you guys. I will do an update video coming up sometime tomorrow. I will be live tomorrow because I'm off tomorrow. Let's hang out. Let's do our thing. GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. And all you haters, come on back. What do you say? I will rep this channel. You will rep it or rip it? I don't even know what you're saying, Christopher Bate, but the only logs I chop are the ones in the toilet, baby, and the ones you eat later. Got you. GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. I'll see you around, Bates. Keep doing it.